What is up, A-Team? Welcome back. Awesome here. Hope everyone's having an awesome day or not, depending on where you're at, but I hope it is awesome. And yes, we do have some good news today, man. We do have some good news tonight. Obviously, crypto's coming back just a slight bit here. We're having a nice little rally in the market. I mean, I'd say rally being that we are now back in the green. As you guys know, Bitcoin obviously took a massive tumble today, almost dropped, I think, well below $10,000 in, I mean, less than what? not even, not even like an hour. Over $450 million was completely liquidated from the cryptocurrency market, but now we're flooding it back in. Yeah, you could say it's price manipulation. We were talking about that this morning, obviously, with the price manipulation and stuff like that. But excited to see where XRP is going. When this price crashed down, XRP actually held pretty strong. So I'm pretty happy with that. But there was definitely some good news today that was brought out by Donald Trump. There's some good news coming out today with just crypto in general. And so we're definitely going to talk about that tonight. But before we jump into all that, I want to say what's up to everyone over here on TikTok. What's up, everyone over here on YouTube and on X. We're streaming across all platforms here. Appreciate everyone being here. And thank you so much. Starting off with here, we got Hunter in the house. Kai, good to see you, Kai. Samuel, what's up, buddy? Raven. Austin turned on the subscriber mode only. Dude, it's hard. If you don't turn subscriber mode on, it's so hard to say hello to everyone. What's going on, Anthony Williams? We got Grant Evans over here. Landon, good to see you guys. Tech Ease, Stern Dad. Dang, we're already sort of popping over here on X. Don Woodley, or I mean on TikTok. You got Sam. What's going on, guys? We got Tim Shea in the house. Peter, what's up, buddy? Making True Money. Good to see Making True Money. My Ultra Journey's in the house. Good to see my Ultra Journey. You must just be getting off your shift at the hospital. That's my bet. Yeah, make sure you guys hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Give it a follow. Tim, get the 2-bit in here. Oh yeah, I heard he dropped his crypto today. That's pretty cool for him. Crypto Smith, what's up, buddy? XRP finally, yes. XRP, Crypto Smith. I know you. I know you're an XRP guy. I know that you were a little on the verge of going crazy, but I'm pretty sure you're happy now. So Justin, Jayton, Sam, good to see you guys over here. GC, Scott, yeah, good to see everyone in the chat here. Hi from Germany. Wow, Germany. What's up, bro? TB13, 85 Tucson. I am new to the channel and just learned about crypto from you. Oh, dude, welcome to the channel, man. Welcome to the A-Team. Any question you have, a lot of people in the A-Team right here can answer the question. I will definitely answer your question for you. Yeah, let me know what you want to know, and I'm here for it. So, yeah, let's get back into. Let's show the charts here. Obviously, Ethereum. I was looking at Ethereum earlier before we jumped on here and just checking it out. But as we guys know, XRP. I decided to draw the channels in here just because it was, we were talking about it this morning and where the channels were. And XRP is still looking pretty damn good. I gotta admit, dude, it's looking pretty nice. You can see right here, if we go back and we look at the total cryptocurrency market, it was in the green over the last hour, and it's still doing really well. We always say this in the space, and I'll continue to say it. Dude, when in doubt, just zoom out. Like, just zoom out and look at how much we've made over the last 7 days, even over the last month. Like, I get that people are frantic and they might be losing a little bit of money off the top, but when you really look at it, it's really not as bad as everyone makes it out to be. And so I just want to make that out there. And as you guys know, XRP is actually back in the green, both in the 1 hour, the 24 hour, and the 7 days. So even with the Bitcoin drop, it didn't really hurt XRP all that much because we've already went through the ringer, man. We already went through it with the South Korea deal. We already went through it with the RLUSD not dropping. So there's just a lot of positive things, I think, when it comes to XRP still. And Bitcoin obviously rallying back up from hitting a low of 93. What's up, Shaman? Shaman here? What's up, Shaman? What is going on, dude? I'm on my you're on your off stretch. Stoked to be able to catch you live. Yeah, I'm happy you're here, dude. I haven't seen my Ultra Journey in a long time. How much XR should I be buying? That's really up to you, man. I'm still holding strong with the one I bought the other day. We're going to see where it goes. So yeah, Malone, what's going on, dude? Thanks for joining over here on TikTok. What do you think XRP will do in 2025? I'm very bullish on XRP in 2025. And everyone should be too. There was a breaking news coming out today. As you guys see right here, President Donald Trump has tapped David Sachs to become the White House AI and crypto czar. So we are actually tapping David Sachs. If you guys don't know him, you guys can go follow David Sachs over here. He's obviously one of the founders of the what is it? The All In podcast, I think is what it is. Yeah, I think it's the All In podcast. He's on. I mean, dude, he's on point with a lot of the stuff he says. I couldn't have been happier that he actually appointed him as a crypto czar. I mean, he's really in tuned. If you actually listen to what he has to say, he seems like a pretty smart guy. It says David Sacks' appointment at the White House for AI and crypto is a game-changing decision by President Trump. It highlights stark contrast to the failures of the Biden administration, which has undermined innovation and allowed critical industries like cryptocurrency. Since the Biden administration lacked a direction on cryptocurrency, I'm not going to go into the whole thing here. Sachs will bring clarity and focus to critical industries. His work will ensure U.S. leads the world in artificial intelligence while safeguarding free speech and protecting the American from big tech overreach. So you have a guy here who's coming in as a crypto czar who's literally, I mean, he's all for building tech. He is all for crypto. And honestly, this couldn't be a better thing for XRP. It couldn't be a better thing for Bitcoin, crypto, you name it, dude. Like, everyone here should be excited. And on top of that, not are we not just talking about David Sacks, but we're also talking about Paul Atkins as well, who is extremely bullish on crypto. And so with all that, I mean, that's just exciting news in itself right there, that we have two guys coming in who are just proactive and, you know, who are pro crypto across the board. And so, again, I think it was nice to highlight that because I think this is a giant news for the cryptocurrency market. Let's see, what else we got here? Predictions on XRP. I think there's a lot of predictions to be made. I definitely can see it, you know, getting up into the $7 to $10 range by the end of this bull run for sure. It could be more than that, dude. Something could shock me. Hi from Spokane, learning crypto and loving it. Oh, awesome, Michael. Well, welcome. I think I talked to you yesterday, but yeah, good old Spokane, man. Love Spokane area. I wonder if you're a Gonzaga fan. Bro, I was mad at you but I get it now. G vibes. You know what, dude? I said all I could say, dude, but I appreciate you here, dude. Honestly, man, it's good to see you. It really, really is. I just appreciate you being back here, man. Questions, bro. What do you think of Render? I don't know enough about Render, dude. Dragon Chain has been moving the beat they fought off the SEC and their real low market cap. I'll take a look at that. Let me write that down, Tim. I'll forget it. Dragon Chain, DRGN. Tim Shea is actually pretty good at being in tune with some of these crypto. What the heck is that? Being in tune with some of these crypto finds. He's found some pretty good gems out there. So I will not discount what Tim Shea puts out here. He says DRGN. Yeah, I'll pull that up here a little bit later. Okay, Tim. I'm gonna actually star your thing here. Appreciate that. Should I transfer my XRP on Robinhood and uphold to a wallet? That's what I would do, Highway Nikki. Without question, that's what I do. I was wondering about the $2 test. Great sign. You know, it's going to be interesting to sort of see what plays out here. This will trade flat. I mean, dude, you got to look at this right here. Look how much we traded flat. Look how flat this was for months. It was just flat trading across the board. And now we finally got this lift off. And, you know, honestly, I think this will just, you know, either build out another little floor here and we'll continue to rise. I mean, that's what I'm hoping for at least. So yeah, we'll have to sort of wait and see. I'm holding an XRP bag, but an average at 36. Dude, 36 cents is awesome for an XRP bag, dude. Hit that like button. Yes, hit that like button. Appreciate you guys. Let's see what else we got here. $20 XRP target. Dude, $20 would be great. So I put out a little video earlier today, about 5:30 today. It's a new video that came out talking about market caps. I was talking about remember the argument we had this morning, where some pundits were out there saying that XRP could not hit the 589 and that it's extreme. And anyone saying that are pretty much idiots and we shouldn't be in crypto and we don't know how to read charts and all that kind of stuff. And to me, it's not about chart reading. It's just strictly about, you know, believing that it could possibly get there, and how could it get there, and what are the numbers? Because those same people are the same people that were, you know, talking about Bitcoin not being able to get where it's at. So yeah, there's a thing called there's a market cap calculator out there, and if you type it in there, you can do it for every crypto. It's awesome, dude. You know, I mean, I guess it gives you some pie in the sky type stuff. So when is the end of the bull run? You know, it should. If you look at previous history, it's looking at roughly around probably August to September of 2025. But I keep saying this, and I'll reiterate it 100 times, probably more, is that we're in different times. This is not normal times. With Trump coming into office, having some crypto regulation, having some clarity, Having people that are pro crypto and pro innovation and pro technology, like it's going to be next level, dude. I don't know what to expect. Plus, if inflation starts to come down, people start getting, reduced taxes on their tax returns. More money comes into our system. Dude, there's so much to put out there, dude. You can't come out and actually say like it's going to be this date we move on. It's too hard to tell, dude. So hopefully I answered your question there. He ain't reading comments here. Highway Nikki. I try to read comments. I try to read as many comments as possible. Apparently, according to the news article, I said not to short XRP due to insider whales coming back. Yeah, and as you guys know, you can see right here, XRP whale buys the dip with 52 million XRP. This was about 8 hours ago. It was right after I got done streaming. A whale came in and bought up a shit ton of XRP from Binance, and they actually moved it into a non-custodial wallet. So they didn't leave it on the exchange. They bought it, moved it, which is actually crazy. That's what you want to see, right? You don't want to see people buy into positions and then move it into a cold store, specifically whales. So this actually just happened. It was like right after I got off. I think I read it, and so they bought right around where we bought, right around. It was like right around 227, I think, is where the purchase was. So that's a crap ton of freaking XRP, dude, at 227. Let's see here. I'm new to crypto. Is it good to buy BTC or ETH right now? I said today, if someone asked me to buy, if they would buy Bitcoin, I was like, there's no way I'd buy on this this godly candle that we see in front of us. I think if anyone bought the dip right here, it's probably that's a good purchase, right? It dropped all the way down to 93,000. Like that wick on that candle was filthy, dude. I don't know if you guys were following this, but this was insane. I was watching. I was sitting here looking at the charts, and all of a sudden, it just started dropping. I wish I was live when it was doing it. It was kind of crazy to watch the candle just continually fall. But you can see it's getting closer. The 4 hour chart still shows. Actually, it shows sort of a bullish, with the 10-day EMA right here. Again, these try to get closer to each other, which is what we want for it to be another run. But yeah, a lot of people came in and swooped up the dip right here for sure. What do you think about LCX? I like LCX. 7,000 XRP shares at 255. I'm at a loss of $1,500. Yeah, just keep writing it out, dude. Dragon Coin or Sun? I think. People are over here talking about Dragon Coin, so I haven't looked into it, dude. Tim Shea, I'm Tim Shea is the man. You see Punchy Penguins coming out with a token on Sol. Is it really? That's funny, dude. Cool Wallet is the best. Yeah, definitely get it over to your cold storage. Greetings, Austin. Just stumbled on your channel. Great stuff. Hey, I appreciate that, Gio. Thanks for being here, man. Welcome to the A team. The SEC did not approve the XRP. They will try again on the 14th. Yeah, it's a good one. I want to bring that up here because you can see right here there is a deadline as of January 15th for the SEC. And one of the great things here is that it looks like Gary Gensler, since he's come out and said that he's going to resign as of January 20th, it's almost like 100% now. Again, speculation, but it's pretty much there that they feel that the new administration, they're going to leave it up to the new administration. They're going to actually extend this for another 15 days and allow the new administration to pick it up and make a decision on it. So that would be the right thing to do. And that would be in the best interest of both XRP and the SEC. And it would probably save some face for Gary Gensler leaving office. But we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens with it. I mean, I'm not going to hold my breath. I hope it does a lot better. What do you think about Shiba? Yeah, I love Shiba, dude. Shiba is like that was like one of my first babies, dude. SHIB, Doge, those are all like first, cryptos, Ethereum. Those are all like first getting into it. Has been active. Let's see, followed the live. It's up to Avalanche right now. Yeah, Avalanche is good, man. I mean, I think the largest meme coin over there is Kakinu. Pancake Swap token. Any of those decentralized exchanges like Uniswap, Pancake Swap token do pretty damn good. Let's see here. I'm holding about 200 shares of XRP. That's good, dude. Hold 200 shares of XRP is better than none. Yeah, but Bitcoin only 21 million. XRP is 100 billion. Big difference. True G vibes. It's a big difference. But I think that's where you just play the numbers. I mean, I guess the question is do you see Ripple getting? Do you see? I guess with the question, if we look at it right now, let's just take a look at XRP. And we know, let's go over here and look at XRP. If we can look at XRP and we say, okay, it's at 100 trillion market cap. Do you think it's going to, as the market continues to go Obviously, more money is going to come into the market, which means the total market cap is going to continue to grow. You had Saylor coming out here saying that Bitcoin could be at 350. He's believing it's going to be hitting 350 million or 350,000 per coin this next run. And you know how significantly, I mean, that's huge. That literally is like that puts the overall cryptocurrency market at a 6 trillion just for Bitcoin. So imagine all the other money that's going to be flowing in for Ethereum, for XRP, especially if XRP gets an ETF. Solana, already Grayscale went out there and got Solana. There's going to be so much more money flowing in. And when that happens, I just see all market caps continually go up. And so if the market cap's sitting here at 132 billion, do you think it could get to a 500 billion, which is roughly where Ethereum is? And I think so. Like I do think it's going to get there. And that'd be about a 4x from where it's at right now. I hope not. I'm more bullish than I am bearish. Dark Sleepy, 100%. I bought 44 XRP at 22 cents, dude. That's filthy. That's good, dude. Turbo, yeah, Turbo is good, man. I mean, it's an established meme coin now. It gets on Coinbase. I feel it's a little bit more established. Jasmine's been killing it, dude. So kudos to everyone holding Jasmine. I invested in Ethereum right now. I mean, I hold a lot of Ethereum, dude. I haven't bought Ethereum for quite some time. I've just been holding it. It's one of my larger holds. I haven't bought any at this level. I've just been watching my bag go up. But Ethereum's gotten expensive, man. Ethereum's at $3,800. That's pretty crazy. But I'm all for it, dude. I get to look at my bag and see it nicely packed. Sorry to say XRP already buy by the whales and big money now. They have to sell and dump. It makes their profits. So please, I buy XRP 1/4, maybe at 145. So you're saying you bought it at 45 cents? That's pretty good, dude. How much should I buy now? You should, whatever you feel you need, man. Whatever you can afford, really, and not put yourself in a bind. That's what usually happens. People will go spend money that they don't have. Sue Wavy, it's up to you whether you want to buy HBAR. I own HBAR. I think a lot of people here on the A-team own HBAR. HBAR is working with FedNow. I mean, Sui is good. I mean, it's the only thing I don't really like about it is just the token allocations. You guys, if you don't remember, Arbitrum had token allocations, and when they actually dropped their token allocations, their price went down 50%. It went from like $2 to $1 overnight. And people were mad. I made a video about it. People were mad, like, "Oh, you're fudding Arbitrum." And I was like, "No, I'm just telling you. Like, I'm not saying it's bad. I'm just saying the token allocations. People have been holding on to this investment for a really long time, and when they get a chance to be able to sell some to make a profit, they're going to. And so, if you're a retail investor that you got into this, I think it's important that you just protect yourself. That's what the video was about. Some people got mad about it, but it is what it is. I think when you have allocation tokens that are allocated, like how Sui is right now, and there's a couple other ones on there. I just protect yourself. That's all. Oh, you talk fast and stuff. We know. Just saying, no big deal. Oh, may you talk fast and stuff. We know. I'm just getting into crypto. Should I buy? Dude, that's if you can. Again, crypto. Buy the crypto if you can afford it. If you can't, I'd say no. Wait for XRP to bottom. You think XRP is going to bottom at one point at $1.50? Any chance you like cold storage? I only use Ledger Nano, dude. That's what I have all my stuff on. Ledger Nano. Take a big breath and reflect. Woman naked and smelling like goldfish. What? Yo, wild as hell right now. Oh man. Thoughts on investing in Ethereum? I already answered that one. Buy Bitcoin at the top. Yeah, try to avoid that. I mean, that's what Michael Saylor does. Michael Saylor usually buys Bitcoin at the top. Can we see your seed phrase? You're wild. What's your thoughts on Shiba or Pepe? I mean, SHIB is there forever. I think Pepe is my play of this run. It's like Pepe is like my SHIB this time around. Own a pretty good amount of SHIB. We got in super early on, I own a pretty good amount of Pepe. We got in super early on Pepe. Yeah, I was talking about XRP. I might have missed you, Ramsey. Sorry. Any chance you can link the cold wallet you use? Yeah, just go to right here, just type in Ledger. Just go to ledger.com, dude. Ledger Nano. I just do Ledger Nano S. Make sure you get it from $79. You could either buy the next one over here, which is the $149, which is the Nano X. You can decide which one you want. Just make sure you get it from Ledger. right here. Make sure it comes from Ledger. Make sure it's sealed when you get it. There's a box on there that you can peel the seal away. So you don't want to be buying these things from Amazon or from, you know, Best Buy. Go buy it straight from Ledger. I like Algorand, Arm, and Hammer. Holy shit, I was on the wrong channel. Were you like, where is everyone? Were you on my other one, dude? Is that where you were? I personally think XRP will stall out at $5, but not suffer as a large drop. It could suffer at $5, or sorry, suffer. It could stall out, but I mean that's roughly about a, you know, another almost 2.5x from where we're at right now. No, it's about a 2x from where we're at right now. Yeah, go about another 100%. Crypto Dreams, thank you so much. SBI in Japan said all banks will use XRP in 2025. Really? Did they really say that? Dude, that's wild, dude. Thanks so much for the $2 donation, man. That's pretty badass. I haven't heard that one, but that's pretty crazy if that happens. I did not know that. Buy Bitcoin. You think XRP might be the next Solana? I mean, it's way above Solana in terms of just, you know, everything. But I think Solana is good. Yeah, I think both of them will do really, really well. Cardano will do good. It's doing good. Algorand, yeah, Algorand's good. Feeling silly, but would you have crypto on Coinbase wallet? Does it still increase? Yeah. Yeah, well, Nelly. Yeah, all it is just an interface for the blockchain. So your crypto wallet is just an interface for your coins or your tokens, and they go over on the blockchain, and then obviously they go up and down depending on what it is, and it's just an interface for that. It's just an interface for the tokens. So you can move that. You can move those tokens anywhere to any wallet. So yeah, no, and don't be afraid to ask any dumb question. You're good. What's your prediction on Cardano? Good question, man. I'm not a big Cardano person, but I hope it does really well. I hope they launch. I actually tell you the truth that if Cardano would be 10 times better if they launched like 10 more snake type meme coins. Jasmine to 50 cents by end of cycle. Tennessee Eco, man. I don't know, man. 50 cents. It's at like, what is it, at 4 cents right now? So what is that, like a 10x from where it's at right now? Shoot. I'm still trying to figure out, you know, what the value of, like, what is Jasmine? If you were buying, what's your biggest conviction? If you were buying now, what's your biggest conviction? Well, if it's XRP and I've already bought around this price. Well, it's actually gone up to just slightly, right? 232 is right where I bought it. So I'm at really where I bought it. My conviction is that this is already. You go look at this chart right here. Well, you can't see the chart here, but basically, all the last little dips have been about 21 to 20%. And this last one that we're in right now is another 20%. So my goal in buying this, and it was mostly just for a swing trade or day trade, depending on where it went, was to get this back up into the threes, get my 20% out of it, and get out. Like, that was my goal. Let's see. Hi, fam. A couple of more weeks, then grab some profits. You think so? Hopefully SBI XRP integration is solid. I have to look into that one. I don't know if it's, yeah, if that's crazy. That'd be crazy if it did. Chris O'Lee, you bought 57,000 XRP at 22 cents. Dude, that's ridiculous. That's all the crypto I have. That's a good freaking buy, bro. 57,000 XRP at 22 cents. You're killing it right now, dude. 1,200 is okay. Long term will do. Evening from Oregon. What's up, Sean? Sean Parsons in the house from Oregon. Where you at in Oregon, dude? Bro, what happened to the Marge X exchanges shutting down? Yeah, I had a lot of questions about this in my comment section. You know, obviously I don't know anything about this Marge X. It's basically a centralized exchange that didn't have enough liquidity to be able to fund the XRP, you know, the XRP. So basically they didn't have the right pair. They didn't have enough liquidity to pair it out. So you basically got stuck with your XRP on there, and you can hold it on there and then hope that eventually they get enough liquidity to where you can cash out. But again, that's why you got to get your stuff off of exchanges. Because if you were to buy that XRP and then move it into a ledger, you now own that. So if Marge X actually failed, like they can't take that crypto from you anymore. If you leave it on their exchange, they can steal it from you. And unfortunately, that's what it sounds like. It sounds like we have another FTX. I mean, I don't know, not that big, but I mean, it's like another Celsius type deal. So I bet XRP at 30 cents with all the rest of the A team, but sold at 55 when it was stalemated. Did you buy back in, Big A? Did you buy back in at least? Even when you saw it like kind of creaking up to like 60 cents, did you buy in? Our ISO coin's going to be, oh crap, that moved fast, dude. I think it said that our ISO coin's going to be the move. I mean, ISO coins are really where it's at, dude. I'm getting my ledger tomorrow. If I move it on there, how long does it take to sell when I want to? You got to move it back. So you'll move your crypto on there. And my advice to anyone that is new to crypto and moving their stuff into a cold storage or into just a non-custodial wallet, just move like a couple dollars. Don't move the whole thing at one time. Like take like $2 and move it over there, or like $3, $5. Like don't move, like if you have like a couple $1,000s, don't move it all at once. Get a good feel for it before you do the whole thing. Do it a couple times. Even if you have to spend a couple of dollars on fees, do it, dude. You'll save yourself such a big headache, and it's stressful at first. You'll have butterflies in your stomach doing it. So just do that. Can't transfer XRP to the Trust wallet. It's not compatible. Yeah, I don't think XRP. You got to find a wallet that's compatible. That's why I stick with Ledger. Ledger is compatible with most everything, and plus I don't have to worry about it's the Trust wallet's a non-custodial wallet. It's still a hot wallet. It could still be hacked. So yeah. We got 952 people in the chat right now. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Subscribe if you want to. Appreciate everyone here. If you have any questions in regards to crypto, let me know. We're talking about XRP today. Talking about the pro stuff that came out here. I don't know if you guys were here. A lot of people weren't here for this, but big news came out today regarding David Sachs. He is now appointed as the AI crypto czar by President Trump. This is actually really, really good news, along with Paul Atkins. And so this will really benefit XRP. I mean, there's not a lot you can say about XRP. XRP still is the #1 crypto out there that has been battle tested. It's been through the ringer with the SEC, and they've won on every single case, every single side, except they did have to pay one thing back. But I mean, they basically won their cases. No other crypto can say that. Literally, no other crypto can say that. So when it comes to being streamlined, when Trump gets in office and they start to make these things with David Sachs and Paul Atkins, I think XRP is really one of the only ones that has like a massive green light to just continue to do what it does. So yeah, and then on top of that right here, it talks about how they believe that the Biden administration is going to step aside here, and they're actually going to put an extension in for 30 days to file the brief. So this is really good for XRP as well, is that since Gary Gensler came out and actually said that they were not going to be moving forward, or he's not going to be moving forward, he's going to resign as of January 20th. They think that they're gonna actually come out and put an extension on this and let the new administration make the determination, and that would be the best thing for Ripple. And so I think 100% that if he says, if I'm Ripple, I'm agreeing to that, and the court probably will too. So that would be fantastic if that happens. 850 efforts in the stream and only 92 likes. Oh man, only 92 likes. Oh man, hit that like button, dude. We already got 3.3. We already got 3.3 thousand hearts over here on TikTok, dude. TikTok is wild, dude. You guys are killing it over here. YouTube needs to catch up. Sorry guys, I'm driving, can't talk much. You're good, making true. How much money in crypto before cold wallet is a must, dude? $500, $100. I mean, depends on how valuable it is to you. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's basically like a savings account. So if like you're using it like a savings, you should probably put it in a cold storage. Crow, I like Crow, dude. I'm just not a big into Crow. XLM's good. Ollie at risk on Uphold. First, I want to make some clarity on the Uphold thing. So I'm not a big fan of Uphold because I just feel it's a little bit clunky. I don't feel it's as seamless as Coinbase is. I didn't really like it when I used it because, again, it was the only place you could buy XRP on an exchange in Washington. If you used a VPN, it was kind of this ghetto situation. And I just didn't get a good vibe for Uphold. Not that Uphold's bad. I'm not saying it's bad. I'm just saying that me personally, it's not my preference. I would not personally use Uphold in America, in the United States. It's just not my exchange that I would use. I would use Coinbase. And on top of that, Coinbase did come out and announce, they came out yet today and talked about their premium, their pro, and what it can do. I was wondering if you should grab some Pepe, dude. I hold my Pepe, man. I'm not selling that. Don't forget there are so many tokens. They get burned and are deflationary by nature. Yeah, I would agree with that, Ramsey, 100%. Wait for the blood. You think a bloodbath is coming? You think a bloodbath is coming? All right, I'm going to scroll down to the bottom, guys. Sorry. If I missed some comments, I'm sorry, dude. Thank you so much for the, I don't know what that equates to, but thank you so much for the donation, Dr. Skrikish. XXQXX, what's the big news? The big news is obviously Donald Trump. I just announced it. Donald Trump, making the Czar, making the crypto Czar, and David Sachs. And on top of that, this is the right here with the news coming out on a potential extension, which would be fantastic, dude. Like, this would be super big. And then last but not least, we got a whale that came out here. This is right after I got offline today. You had a whale come in and buy up $52 million worth of XRP, and they moved it from Binance. So they moved it into a non-custodial wallet, or sorry, they actually moved it into probably a cold storage. And that's a huge move for crypto. So, you have whales coming in and buying up XRP on these dips. So, yeah, it's going to be interesting to see how this plays out. You bought XRP at 40 cents on Uphold back in the day and forgot about it. Holy crap, dude. Think I'll be good? Oh, yeah, you'll be good, dude. Just go log back in. Go make sure you have your login, dude. You'll be good. Should I move some of my portfolio into Coinbase to a Coinbase wallet? Yes. That's what I would do, Coach Josh. I think Submode is on YouTube. Dang, I just started to invest in this crypto. What are we talking about? Hard wallet? Yeah, so a hard wallet, you have a hot and cold wallet. So cold wallets, or what they call it, like a hard. I mean, you can call it a hard wallet. You call it whatever you want. You call it a hot wallet, cold storage. So you have a hot wallet, which is basically like your MetaMask, and or a Coinbase wallet, and or a Trust wallet, and or a SafePal wallet. It's basically a software-driven wallet that you would transfer your stuff into. That stuff is still hackable. You click on a link inside your wallet. You basically, you click on any type of, you scan a QR code with your phone. It could hack your wallets. You got to be careful with those things. What a cold storage does, you can actually move it onto a cold storage, which looks like a thumb drive. Looks, just something like this. It's kind of crazy. It looks something like that. And then basically you just plug that into your computer and it uploads, and then you can use your phone to transfer stuff over to it. And then you can unplug it. Like, literally, this is now offline, right? Nothing can hack it. You can't even get on it. The only way you can actually then hack it is if I plug it back in and you're able to hack it. But the good thing is that Ledger, the XRP Ledger, has never been hacked before. So it's one of the only cold storages out there that's never been hacked. Can anyone answer this question? Is there any way to see the outputs of crypto? Like, if I invest in a small company, I'll know where my money is invested. It's all about the tokenomics, and mostly with crypto, dude. No, you're not gonna be able to see that stuff, dude. You're not gonna be able to go see, like, if you invest in stocks, you can actually go see what they're investing in. You can go look at their portfolios and see where that money's going. That's not how stocks are driven, or that's not how crypto is, dude. People will go out there and create what they call tokenomics. They'll go out there and they'll create white papers and tell you like what they're going to do for a roadmap. And then you're investing in it, hoping that they do that. And 99.9996% of the time, those projects don't actually do shit. So you just got to be very careful with that. Is Robinhood safe to buy and keep XRP long term? I'm not a big Robinhood person, but I heard it's actually not too bad. Thoughts on Cardano? I'm not a big Cardano person. I think Cardano's great. I just haven't really bought a lot of Cardano. So yeah. Why is Coinbase stalling with adding XDC? Dude, they stall with a lot of cryptos, dude. I don't know their rhyme and reasons. What are we saying XRP can get up to realistically? I'm thinking like honestly, realistically, I would not be shocked if it got to like $10. It would not. I'm supporting a $10 XRP. Like, that's and that's about a $500 billion market cap. That's a little over where Ethereum is right now. That's basically almost a 5x. You can't, and I think that is a realistic run, and it could do more. It honestly could do more. But we'll have to sort of see how the economy plays out. Do you own? No, I do not. I do not, Albert. I don't own any AVAX stuff. Nick with Shop, thanks for the info, man. I have been building my portfolio for 7 years, but have been too timid to make any trades because of my limited experience. Dude, thank you so much for the $5. Yeah, dude, that's crazy. You've been building your portfolio for 7 years. Hey, man, trust me, there's so many people that lost money because they get really comfortable making trades in crypto, and then they get really what's the word I'm looking for? Yeah, they just get really comfortable. They get sensitized to the dangers that are out there. So I don't think you're wrong by feeling timid. Dude, trust me, I get a little timid about some trades too, man. Timid in terms of like moving things over or making some trades. But if you've been building for 7 years, dude, you should be sitting on a nice little portfolio. That's for sure. But thank you so much for the $5 donation. I really appreciate that. And just to let everyone know here, Fan has been beating me up all day about getting my memberships back up so that I could read our memberships, because it actually is really hard to see who's a member and who's not and who to respond to over here on YouTube. The sad thing is, and you guys are going to be mad at me, dude, when I removed them, when I removed all the memberships, it's basically reset everything. So everyone's starting off at 0 if I do it. So you're not going to get like, you've been with me for 24 months, you've been with me for 3 years. And so I know everyone's going to be like pissed off about that. So sorry. I don't even know if I want to put them up because of that. Hey, didn't see on TikTok. Oh, what are you talking about, dude? When did you see on TikTok? XLM seems like stalling. I think a lot of things are sort of flattening out right now. The good thing is that like I was saying earlier, is that it's nice to see like XRP right here like flatten out. It didn't actually take the dip like everything else did earlier on when Bitcoin fell. You know, and when Bitcoin was going down today, a lot of the other cryptos went with it. But good thing is that XRP already experienced that throughout the last couple of days, so it kind of just fell flat. Dang, everything is flat as heck. Yeah, I'm okay with flat, dude. Not pissed, but dude, I know. I'm sorry, dude. I don't know what to say. I don't even know if I want to do it now because of that. I got rid of them because I was like, you know what, dude, I don't want to like charge people that haven't been, that aren't here. Like, I'm not here. I don't want to charge people. Like, I just felt bad about it. I'm going to be honest. Like, I was just like, I don't think it's, and so, yeah, it's kind of like, damn. So yeah, it's like, I don't know. Maybe I'll put up like a poll or something. You guys can tell me whether I should do it or not. How do you feel about XLM? We all love XLM here, dude. Chris, yeah, we're a lot of us are in XLM. I can't get XDC in New York. It said Uphold, it won't work. Is that the only place you can buy XDC is on Uphold or something? Really? Is that the only place you can buy XDC is Uphold? That's crazy, dude. Yeah, KuCoin, MEXC, LBank. That's really all you get. So where is it? You could buy it on. Damn, that's it. That really is all you can buy it at. Gosh, dang, that's crazy, dude. What about the decentralized side? Dude, you can't even buy it on a decentralized side. So yeah, you can't even buy XDC really anywhere, dude. That's crazy to me. Sand's good, dude. I can't buy crap on Coinbase. Why can't you buy anything on Coinbase? Whatever, clever. Will ICP get back to all-time high? I don't know if ICP. I don't know. We'll get back to all-time highs, and that's because when they launched, not all the tokens were actually out there in circulation, and then they released all the tokens, which caused the price to go down. So yeah, ICP. I don't know. ICP could be tough to get back to its all-time high, but I mean, it could definitely do very, very well. And I think it's going to do. If you bought the bottom of it, you're going to be sitting nice and pretty. A lot of people that are entering new to crypto are entering to ICP at a good level. XRP thoughts for tomorrow? I think it's good, dude. I'm excited for XRP. I follow XRP all day long. And I follow Bitcoin. I follow a lot of things all day long, dude. How low will XRP go? You think? I hope it doesn't go any further, dude. To be honest with you, you can't be a month early, a week early, or a day, and don't be a second too late. Yeah, it's true, right? But don't be a second too late. That is so true, dude. Especially when it comes to crypto. That's actually good advice. I got an $8. $8 for ICP. That's not bad, dude. That's crazy. I thought XDC was on. Oh man, maybe I'm tripping, dude. I thought it was on more markets than that. That's good, dude. You're on $8, man. You almost doubled your investment. That's not bad. Can someone explain bracket trading on Coinbase? They keep advertising it to me, but don't really show what you do. Look it up on. I'm sure someone on YouTube is doing it, dude. Jasmine thoughts. I don't own Jasmine, Young B. A lot of people here do. How can I learn like you, Austin? Seriously, just spend time, dude. There's so many people, even on the A team. Like I can go down the list of everyone here. But yeah, just spending time listening to people talk, listening to people that you like. I mean, there's gonna be a ton of people out there that you don't want to even listen to. You have a lot of people out there that will they kind of sell you. I don't know what the word is. You have a lot of people out there that are this space is unforgiving. Let's just say that this crypto space is unforgiving. There's a lot of people out there that are tough to handle, tough to deal with. yeah, I don't want to get into it, but just find the people you like, bro, and just listen to them and soak up as much information as you can, and then don't be afraid to actually like go apply stuff, like, you know, go spend money, a little bit of money to try to learn some things in terms of like doing trades and stuff like that. Where's Quant going? I think Quant's good, man. Quant's a slow mover. Every other ISO is available on Coinbase except XTC. That is true. It is. That is funny. Thoughts on staking? I'm not a big staking person. I take that back. I'm okay staking if you can get out of it. If you just do auto staking where you can, if I put money in there and anytime I want it, I can take it out. I'm okay with that staking. If it's staking where they're going to hold it for like 6 months, I'm not touching that, dude. I don't like people to have control of my money. Thanks for joining the live stream. Welcome. Austin streams at 8 a.m. Yeah, definitely. Listen to Fan here. I do stream at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, sub mode until I catch up. I don't know if I'll ever be able to catch up, man. We got a pretty good amount of people in here, and it's hard to keep track. I try to answer as many questions as possible. I try to read your comments. That's my goal, is to try to read almost everyone's comment, but it gets harder as the day goes. But yeah, keep commenting away. I'll eventually catch it. Redditors on XP group make me laugh compared to every other platform. You're talking about on Reddit? Yeah, dude. Reddit's wild, dude. Reddit's on another level. I bought more at the 220 dip. Okay. What is the stable coin comes out tomorrow? I might have a nice dude. If it comes out tomorrow, New Blades, oof, I might have to like pop some champagne or something, dude. Stablecoin comes out tomorrow. We might see some good price action over the weekend, dude. Is Ledger X hard to use? No, it's just uncomfortable at first. Super uncomfortable at first. You're going to be a little nervous. You're going to try to figure out what to do with it. Like I said, you're going to have some butterflies in your belly because you're like, crap, am I making the right decision? Am I doing this right? That's why I said just send a little bit of money at first, and then you'll be good to go. Now that crypto, trying to learn as much as possible, but only using Robinhood. Robinhood's not a bad app, dude. I just think that you should spread your wings a little bit and go see what else is out there. Again, use other platforms, use non-custodial wallets, go on to different platforms, dude. Like, just go do it. And again, you don't have to spend a ton of money. You don't even have to spend money to sign up for these accounts. So that would be my advice to anyone getting into crypto and maybe new and, you know, stuck on one platform. Jasmine, brother, check it out. I need to, Philip. Trust me, I'm behind the 8 ball on the Jasmine thing, dude. The whole chat has been telling me about Jasmine, but the only thing I still haven't been able to figure out what Jasmine does. Look at the XLM chart for me. Where will the price go down in your opinion? The price of XLM, it shadows that of dude. Where did my dude? I gotta find my. I keep saying this, guys. You got to remind me. I got to log into my other account, dude. I got to log into the account. Oh, not stocks. I want crypto. Let's do it to Coinbase. See, it won't let me. That's why. Gosh, damn it. Here, let's look. I gotta log into I gotta figure out how to get into my other account. The good thing with Stellar is that it's pretty much in line with that of look at that, dude. It looks just like XRP. Almost identical, dude. But it's at a 14 billion market cap. And again, this is something that it's a really low market cap for what this is capable of doing. Is it at the level of XRP? No, it's not at the level of what like adoption could be. So like there's that, but it's definitely a good crypto to have. Telcoin gonna pop soon. Hey, dude, I was just reading digital. I was reading about how they're using how Flare is using Songbird to upload some pairing for XRP. That's pretty exciting stuff. See how that plays out. It's called Shilling. It's called Shilling. I've got only 1K. Dude, that's good. 1K XRP. Dude, who knows, man? I bet you the people that bought $1,000 in Bitcoin at when it was $10 never thought they would get where it's at. So, you know, crypto's wild, dude. Crypto is a wild, wild place. XRP is cooking. Not gonna lie, dude, it is. Like I said, if you pull back and look at where it's at, I mean, XLM's up almost 400% over the last month, dude. That is insane gains, dude. HBAR is fantastic, Ricardo. I don't like the lockups either. Yeah, lockups suck, dude. Shannon, thanks so much, dude. I am missing the donations, dude. It doesn't even pop up on my. It used to pop up. It used to pop up, but now it doesn't pop up. My XRP prediction is 489 end of December, 23 end of January. I like it, man. And is that 2024 or is that 2020? Is that like 2035? What are we dealing with here? I appreciate the $2 crypto dreams. Thank you so much, man. This is where dumb retail money gets together to get convinced themselves into buying Ripple bags of worthless tokens. Uh-oh. We got someone here who missed the XRP train. I appreciate it, crypto kid. Super chat. Hey, Shannon, thank you so much for the $5. Appreciate you, man. Long time A team right here. Had Kamala won, would XRP and BTC be worth that? Not at all, dude. You couldn't convince me that XRP and Bitcoin would be in the same situation it would be if Kamala won. You couldn't convince me that. Again, I don't want to get into politics, but I think we can all agree that just wouldn't happen. Like, even if you are a Democrat or you lean a little left, we all can agree that, like, they were just not pro crypto. It's just like simple as that. A lot of people sell hope, but hope is not a plan of strategy. That is true, dude. Do not buy hope, man. Hope will drown you in real quick. Shiba and its utilities into future ecosystems. I mean, Shib's been trying to really drop a lot of stuff. I mean, they dropped Shibarium. Now they're talking about doing some hyper burns. Yeah, I love Shib, dude. I'm still for the Shib ecosystem. I'll probably make content about Shib. Shib's doing well. It's not even doing bad, dude. Honestly, Shib, for being hovering around the top 10 cryptos for almost the entire time since it hit top 10, you can't knock it, dude. It's definitely a well-established crypto. It's back to, it's still not that far away from its all-time high. I mean, I think we're still 65% down from its all-time high, which is actually a lot. That's actually a decent amount. 65% down from its all-time high. Jeez. Chris, I don't even know what that is. Aerodrome Finance. I don't know what that is. No tax on crypto, dude. No tax on crypto is fantastic. Austin, do you know anything about Vara? I do not. Lockhart. This guy's bullish on XRP because it gets him clicks and money. I'm bullish on XRP because it's a large bag. Yeah. Austin working overtime. What's up, Seiko? You'll be buying my bag. Yeah, get him, Darth. Should I sell XRP? Oh my god, dude. Jasmine, dude, you guys are wild right now, dude. The chat's getting crazy at nighttime. Holy crap. The chat over here is getting wild. Do you think Shib will hit $1? It's gonna be tough, dude. No, I don't see it hitting $1. I guess the whole goal is to try to get it to a cent, right? XLM and XRP predictions, I think they're going to pretty much ride together. So if XRP goes up 4x, I could see Stellar probably going up 4x. Yeah, the news on XRP is obviously with the new addition to the new crypto czar that's been added, and David Sachs for the Trump administration. Then also they were just coming out saying that it looks like the SEC is going to put an extension on the Ripple case. They have to make a decision by January 15th, and it looks like they're going to make an extension for 30 days and let the Trump administration and their new SEC head take it over. So that's going to be fantastic for XRP. Your thoughts on Coinbase debit card? I don't know, man. I don't know. Ripple is invested in Fire. You mean Flare? Flare is invested. What are you saying here, dude? Bring Austin a beer, dude. I should get a beer. Thoughts on Coinbase debit card? Someone had it. Who was on here? Was it Hogzilla that had his Coinbase? Was it Coinbase? Or was it, maybe it was crypto, maybe it was Crow. I can't remember which one he has. A lot of people do that. I mean, I'm not selling my Bitcoin though. Thoughts on taking profits from BTC and putting it into altcoins? A lot of people will do that, dude. A lot of people will move their Bitcoin over to altcoins, and then when the altcoins pump, they'll move it back over to their Bitcoin. Like, you'll see that a lot. That's a lot of what happens. Hey, thank you so much for the follows over here on TikTok. Thank you for everyone being here in the stream right now. Right now, we have roughly 1,263 people watching. So appreciate that a ton. Make sure you guys hit the like button. Subscribe if you can. Crypto Kid wouldn't be here if he didn't own. Hey, I'm about 15 minutes away from live, but is Robinhood a good platform to buy and sell? I'm not a big Robinhood guy, dude. It's actually not that bad of a platform. Again, even for stock wise, it's not that bad. So if you like stocks and things like that, I still have it on my phone. I look at it every once in a blue moon, but it's not my ideal place to go. Doesn't mean you shouldn't use it. So if you feel comfortable with it, then I think you should use it. 10 to 30 XRP this run. You think Digital Orgy 10 to 13, 10 to 30? Yeah, I think 10's a pretty good, pretty safe. I think it's pretty safe, right? I was just telling them how I put out a video earlier today talking about the market cap. We were doing the market cap up, but I kind of like this other one. Where'd it go? Crap, I don't know what I just did with it. Where'd it go? Yeah, right here. It's called Market Cap Calculator. This thing is actually pretty legit, dude. You can put anything in here. Like we can run any number. You give me one, and we can run a number. We can have some fun. If Kamala won Bitcoin, would be 10,000. Hey, very well could. I voted for Kamala, but put 10K on Trump. Damn, did you really, Fizzy Racks? That's wild, dude. So you won some pretty good money then, dude. Cold Wallet, Tangem, thoughts? I don't use Tangem, but I heard there's a lot of people here on the A team that love Tangem, dude. He deleted all of it, so he has to recreate them. Yeah, dude. I screwed up. I shouldn't have deleted. I don't know. Yeah, dude. The memberships are gone. Like I said, I got rid of them. I know, and it sucks because like all the people that have been here for years will not get recognition for them being for years. Gosh. When will XRP go up? We're gonna battle this out probably for the next. I mean, you can see right here we battle it out for probably a good day and a half, almost 2 days. Just like this last time, it went flat, right? Started in this one over here, started November 16th, and basically started to go up. It took almost 5 days before it went up. Another one right here, we almost went 5 days before it went up. And right now, we're at the bottom. We're hitting this bottom. We're probably going to be up 5 days before it goes up. So we'll probably be like Monday, unless something positive comes up in the market. H-bar is great. Loop ring is ready to pop. New follower, what's your background? Like what did I do before crypto? My background is risk mitigation. So basically just assessing risk for I work for some pretty big companies, corporations, doing risk assessment, doing risk management, and doing all that good stuff. So you ever seen the movie Along Came Polly? Like that. running risk analysis. You make sell of XRP now. You real. What's up, Maddie? I don't know what the hell you just said to me, Maddie. I know that English is not your first language, but what you make sell of XRP. Oh, you're saying if you sell XRP right now, you're a dummy. Okay, I picked up what you're putting down, dude. Jasmine slipping as we speak. Is it going down? All right, maybe it's time to buy. Any news on RLS? We don't know. They haven't came out announced. I'm gonna keep streaming every morning, dude. I'm coming out with the RLUSD coming, dropping, releasing. I'm coming out with it, dude. What's up with the DDD? I don't even know what that is, Miller Tim. What is that? What's your favorite coin to short? Dude, I'm not big into shorting, dude. I don't, you know what I mean? I don't short a lot. I'm gonna be honest, man. Especially in a market like this, dude. I don't even touch it. Last I tell you the truth, last crypto that I shorted, actually I probably shouldn't even say it. I'm not even gonna say it. Love Shiv, it made good money last bull run, but I never went back because of the greedy devs. The best place to short, I'm going to tell you, the best place to short is on MEXC. They don't allow you to do it anymore, but you'd go over there, they'd launch all these like shitty meme coins, and you basically just go over there and short them because it's gonna work out. So like MEXC was like the place to go, and so I don't want to talk bad on projects, or meme coins that are still here that are still hanging on. But yeah, it was some meme coins on MEXC were the last time I really went out there and shorted some stuff. Yeah, I don't use it a whole lot. Let's see here, 17. I'm gonna scroll down and try to get to the bottom so I get to your comments, guys. Sorry, I'm still behind on some of these. I'll scroll up just a little bit. I don't know what Bluezilla is. Never buy XRP. It's only for possessions. Are you saying you never bought it, or you're not going to? Maddie talks in riddles. It is pretty funny, dude. I thought Maddie B was a bot. No, dude, he's an old time A-teamer, bro. Maddie B's been here for a while. He's been here for years, dude. So yeah, sometimes I have to readjust what I'm saying. Can ICP hit $100? Yeah, I think it could, dude. I mean, dude, ICP. ICP is a good blockchain, right? Some people have doubted it, but I think Internet Computer is legit. It's sitting at a 6 billion market cap. I mean, okay, let's actually pull this up. Let's see. What would it do? Let's do ICP. What's up, Internet Computer? We want to say it gets to $100. What is that going to do for it? At $100, it's going to put a market cap about 47 billion. Dude, that's doable. It's a 6-time multiplier from where it's at right now. So yeah, dude. I mean, that's actually not that bad. XRP has a lot of value too. ICP has a good value. What do you think about base? I think base is good, man. You have a blackout drunk to understand math. Do you think ETH can pass 6K? I do. I think ETH is like a 10K. Let's put ETH in here. Let's take a look and see what that would do. Ethereum. Let's have some fun with this one. Let's say the price of Ethereum we want to get to 10,000. Let's do calculate. That's a 2.5x from where it's at right now. That puts it about roughly 4,812.16, 4,812. Yeah, about $1.2 billion. So if we're saying if we're going along with what Michael Saylor says with Bitcoin getting to 6 trillion, then I don't see how the second largest crypto in the world can't get a 2.59 multiplier. So yeah, I'm totally on board with that, dude. That's why I haven't sold any of my Ethereum. That's why I hold a lot of Ethereum. I'm not gonna say I didn't sell because I have sold Ethereum. I just hold a good amount of it. Is it a right now or a good time to buy more XRP? I mean, I bought it at this price, so yeah. Lou, you seem lost. Digital. Easy digital. That's okay, Maddie. You guys are wild over here, man. Oh my god. We got a spammer in here. I'm reading digital. Digital's going. I can see digital starting to heat up. He's heating up. It's like NBA. It's like NBA jams. He's heating up. Mudcoin. Mudcoin's pretty legit. I mean, it made it onto Coinbase. You can't really knock it now. Never heard of you before, so I'm learning if you actually know what you hold. If you actually know what you hold. What do you mean, Bandman? Are you talking to me? I don't know what we're talking about then. Do you think ETH can pass 6K? I just answered that one. I'd buy XRP on the price right now or wait for a better price. I mean, I bought right now. Just for I have a bag packed that I packed a long time ago with XRP. And I built on that throughout the months of it being, 30 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents, 30 cents, going back and forth. And then now, like I said, the other day, I bought some of these and sold them, made $500-600, made $1,000, made a couple hundred. And then now I'm trying to see if I can make a couple $100 to a grand or so on the swing trade on this one. So we'll see what happens. I play around with it all the time. Do you think XRP will pass $5? I do think it's going to pass $5. So let's look at the market cap on this. I did this on my video. Let's put XRP in. This is where I think XRP gets very interesting for me, honestly. Tell me about ADA. Long-time XRP holder. If you had another 5K, where would you throw it all? Probably Bitcoin, dude. That's me personally, though. Some other people could say XRP, but I would just throw money at Bitcoin right now, dude. Let's see here. We want the price. You said what was the question? $5. I mean, at a $5, that's a 2x from where we're at. A $10 puts us at a 4x from where we're at, and that's a $571 million market cap. Like, I think that's actually a doable market cap, like a really doable market cap. Even at $20, right? It puts us at a 1.1 billion market cap. That's an 8x from where we're at. I mean, I'm already at $3. I'm sitting at a 10x. And then you add another 8x to that, dude. Like, that's insane. You know what I mean? So, hey, from Australia, what's up, Tom? I try to make it when I see he's not always streaming. He disappears. I do. I disappear a lot, dude. Going off of Korea and shit, dude. The Korea thing going off to Korea. That's true, dude. I did dip out to Korea for a while there. First bull run, but selling, but scared. Not selling, but scared. Yeah, first bull runs can be fun, man. Buckle up. And then just make sure you protect your profits when the time comes. Where's Cardano going? It's gonna do well. Cardano should do good. How do you feel about VeChain? VeChain's good, man. I'm a big VeChain. I like VeChain. Hi chat. Let's see here. I should buy XRP on this price if you want to. Yeah, it's always a good time to buy XRP. Is that what you? Is that right, Ethan? All right. Lost all my profits on this coin and got greedy. Oh shoot! On which coin? On XRP? Somebody got to run an XRP campaign in South Korea. That would have been cool to actually run an XRP campaign over there for that. I would have done it. Have Flare. It's going to do well. Yeah, I bought Flare too, MK. MK2000. What's up, buddy? Man, I might have missed your things. What's going on, dude? Okay, move on. I'm here, chat. Most toxic. H bar is yeah, H bar. I like that Kokor. H bar is good. All the way from Stockholm, Sweden, dude. That's my own. That's where my ancestors are from, dude. That's my grandma and grandpa came from. It's good old Stockholm, Sweden, man. Got another Swedish brother in here. Let's see here. Why XRP don't pass 2.3? It's just hovering, dude. Thoughts on Pendle? I don't have a thought on that. AVAX is good, man. I like AVAX. Surge for XRP. I'm hoping Surge will come here and probably we're talking. Honestly, it's probably going to be a couple more days. If I had to be like realistic about it, we'll probably be a little flat. We'll probably come reach out here. It'll probably be like this Friday. It could be tomorrow, dude. We'll see what tomorrow brings. It's going to come out and hit the edge of this this channel. We'll see if it falls out of the channel or stays inside the channel. Can you move your crypto to a cold storage? Yeah, you can move all your crypto. Castro's Corner. I love Bean Dip. Do you understand what XRP can and will be used for? Do you know what you can do with your coins without selling? I know what I hold, looking for like-minded person. Yeah, I think we're all on the same board with what XRP is. XRP is going to be doing. I mean, XRP. That's what I've told everyone. That's why Swift came after XRP, dude. Of what they were able to accomplish with the cross-border payments. The SEC wouldn't targeted them if they weren't taking away what Swift was doing. That's basically what it comes down to. Take Swift, move it to a blockchain, and make it cheaper, faster, more secure. Why would you not do that? So, why XRP don't pass $5? It should pass $5. I think XRP is going to pass $5. Bitcoin sucks and has no utility, but it's 90% of the market. That's digital gold, King David. What's the best small cap to look into? What's small cap to you? When you say small cap, like what do you consider small cap? Like 50 million, 10 million, 100 million, 200 million? Do you own any meme coins? Yeah, I'm big into Pepe. Obviously, we bought Pepe a long ass time ago, dude. Pepe's probably my biggest meme. A lot of people have no clue. Yeah, a lot of people just buy what's out there, right? They don't look into it, and I don't blame them. Sometimes people don't have the energy for it. Protect yourself. Yeah, definitely protect yourself. How likely do you think is that XRP is the number one crypto? Ooh, well, Digital Orgy will tell you it will be the number one crypto. I still think Bitcoin's going to be the granddaddy of them all. So but XRP has moved up to number 3. Man, it's a good one to have. Austin had to go to Korea. Fan kicked him out. Every Friday since elections have been a wild gains. True, that is true, DG. I'll give you that. It has been wild. So we'll see how tomorrow goes. I'm thinking we're going to hit this channel right here, and I'm hoping that this is the dip we needed to build the next level. That's what I was hoping for. So, do you have any training videos? I'm kind of new to crypto, on and off for a couple years. I got some XRP and others, but I'm not exactly sure what to buy. Was just told about XRP. Dude, there's so many opportunities out there. Seek Rob, we talk about a ton of them. And yeah, it's really up to you on what you want to buy, really. I try to stay in the top 50 cryptos. That's sort of my goal. And again, we bought a lot of these things, a year and a half ago, 2 years ago, bottom of the barrel. And so we've all pretty much, done very well. So coming out of that, I think going into now, it's just I would continue buying those for myself. So the XRPs of the world, the XLMs of the world, the HBARs of the world. Even if you want to dip into the Pepes and the Bonks, I mean, those are established meme coins. They have really good gains. They got great communities. If you're more of a meme coin person. And then obviously, I mean, Bitcoin. I don't think you can go wrong with putting money in Bitcoin. What does protect yourself mean in XRP? What do you mean protect yourself in XRP? Like protect yourself from what? I don't get what you mean by that. What do you think about AI coins like XOXO? I don't know. What's a good AI crypto? Dude, you could even look at I mean, like right now, I mean, some people can look at internet computer being a good crypto, right? On what it's about. Dude, this thing is actually if you go back and you actually look at what ICP is, I mean, and what they're actually trying to do, it's a pretty powerful blockchain. So I mean, like there's so much things to do. Even VeChain, can be considered an AI cryptocurrency, and I think it's a great one too. Like I said, the only thing that sucks with some of these things right here is the tokens. So ICP is one of them. There's a lot of cryptos out here that have tokens that are locked, and those always kind of make me leery. XRP is the same way sometimes. I feel the same way. Every time everything doubles in the next 6 months and then we don't crash into the bear market, that'd be nice, right? It's been a bull run since election day. 100%, dude. Mafia Productions. If two people drive the same location 5 miles away, but one car can only go 50 miles an hour, but the other car can go 70 miles an hour for only half the trip and 20 for which car you get. That's a long explanation, Digital. Oh my gosh, that was super long. Jasmine going to $1. I don't know if some people believe it is. That what, 4 cents right now? 3 cents? Is $1.80 XRP a possibility? I hope not. I hope not. Anything's possible in crypto. The big news was just because you just got here, I'll recover it again right now. So for me, the big news, and again, this is just me personally, what I think is big news. As you guys know, David Sachs was appointed as the White House AI and crypto czar. And again, this is game-changing decision for President Trump. It highlights a stark contrast to the failures of the Biden administration. So basically, you have a guy out here who is extremely pro AI, pro technology, pro crypto, and he just got tabbed as the czar of the new basically crypto. I guess you could say it's probably going to be like a special counsel type thing. On top of that, there was news that came out that the SEC is most likely going to put an extension, a 30-day extension on the filing that's supposed to come out here on the 15th deadline for their Ripple lawsuit, and it's going to get rolled over for the Trump administration to handle it. So that's some really, really freaking good news for crypto, for not for just for crypto, but for XRP as well. And then on top of that, you got Steve Akins, who is obviously head of the SEC, working with David Sachs. I just see crypto, it's just going to blow up, dude. When will the sun rise tomorrow? Good question. I don't know. How am I so far behind again? XRP $3 today. Dude, if it does, I'll be waking up to a nice little rally, dude. I'll be up like a 30% rally if that happens. I'll be up 30% on my bag. Did the dip happen because they didn't announce RUSD? I don't think that was the only reason. That probably played some factor into it. There's probably some retail investors out there that were like, oh, screw this, and they got out because they were trying to sell the top. I think a lot of it did have to do with South Korea. I mean, I think that played a huge factor. I mean, they are the largest holder of XRP on those exchanges over there. $4 billion got liquidated off those exchanges. So yeah, I think there was a factor to it. I wouldn't say it's the whole thing. So possible drop below $1. I don't see that happening, dude. This is your brain. On XRP. Are you pulling that egg one, dude? What do you think about ADA? ADA's good. It's just slow mover. It's just a slow mover, which isn't bad, right? If you like slow moving cryptos, ADA's for you. When Doge, Pepe, SHIB going up, well, Pepe's been doing pretty decent. So SHIB's actually been doing pretty decent too. And Doge. I mean, you got to think Doge was before the election, dude. What was Doge, like 9 cents? I think Doge was like 9 cents before the election, dude. Let's go look at Doge. I think it was 9 cents. No, it was 19 cents. That's what it was. 19 cents before the election. No. Yeah. It was like 21 cents before the election. That's crazy, dude. And now it's all the way up to 40 cents. So it's up 100%. That's not bad. For being a top 7 crypto, that's pretty good. Let's take a look at SHIB, right? For the last month. I mean, SHIB's up 58%. That's not the greatest in terms of what everything else, but I mean, it's still up really, really good. And then Pepe, right? Pepe is actually sitting at roughly last month since the election. It's up about 129%. Can't Can't really be upset about that either. Anything up 100% on your bag is ridiculous. Can Dogecoin make the number 3 spot? Ooh, I don't know. If they start, there was actually a release in miners, so there's gonna be more miners coming out, and they're gonna be able to mine Dogecoin a lot faster and be more efficient. And so there was an announcement out there that they're actually going to be mining Dogecoin at 3 times the rate. I think I just read that today on an article. I should have probably saved that to show everyone. If they do that, that means that Dogecoin is going to go freaking ape shit. Able to mine Doge at 3 times the rate they're able to do it now. Game changer for Dogecoin, dude. Dent, small brand, Bitcoin, just like a designer brand that's overpriced. That's actually pretty funny. That's a good one. And don't get the hawk to a rug pull, dude. That's wild. Did you guys watch the CoffeeZilla thing on that whole thing? That is so wild, dude. Oh man. While I was editing a video, I was watching the hawk to a CoffeeZilla video, dude. That is crazy, dude. Thank you, new subscriber. All right, appreciate you, Nelson. Kalibos Nelson, thank you very much. You own XCN, I do not. Thank you so much for following. Everyone over here on TikTok, thank you so much for following. Everyone over here on YouTube, thank you so much for being here. We got about, let's see, how many people do we have in here right now? We got about 1,322 people in here. I appreciate the hell out of you guys for being here and hanging out with me on this glorious Thursday night. It's very overpriced. It's just the name of the people are buying, not actual utility. King David, what are you talking about? Which one? I might have missed your thing. BTC or rug. Come on, digital. You're wild, bro. Oh man, that's funny. Followed you. Thanks so much for the follows over here. That's great. Thank you so much. Any crypto is only worth what you want to sell it for. It's a good way of looking at it. XRP complements ADA. Jasmine's going crazy. Is gonna go crazy. Still, it's funny. I ask you guys to tell me what Jasmine is gonna do, and no one still tells me what that's gonna do. Like what is Jasmine's value? Like what is it supposed to do? What's its like? Is it just like a Bitcoin? Or it can't be a Bitcoin. I mean, it's an Ethereum token. So, like, what is it supposed to be doing for me? That's funny. Yo, Austin, I'm thinking a little bit late to the video, but what do you think about the altcoin season? Dude, altcoin season. I'm ready. Renee, we're ready to rock and roll, man. Altcoin season's in, man. It is in. We're rocking and rolling. I think that all started on November 5th. Caspa will shock you. I like Caspa, Travis. I like Caspa, dude. Understand merchant processing XRP is king. Yeah, I think HBAR is probably going to compete. HBAR is probably going to compete with Ripple. HBARs don't sleep on HBAR, dude. For them working with Fed now, don't sleep on HBAR. Jasmine is an IoT partnership with Sony and Panasonic. Internet of Things. It's actually an Internet of Thing partnership. Like, what do they do? They're not a blockchain though. So how are they doing an IoT? It's interesting. I'll be a multi-billionaire if it does. Not a store of value. And the new SEC chairman is a plus. Oh, dude. Huge plus. Huge plus for crypto, dude. They all can say BTC is now, it's a failed payment system. But you can use, see, the thing is though, is that although like XRP, Ripple, all of them, they could actually use it to their advantage with Bitcoin, right? I mean, if you want to use Bitcoin as a form of payment, you would just use the Ripple system. So it's actually a benefit because again, you're going to have to use a fast form of transaction, fast form of payment, and if you can push Bitcoin as a form of payment through Ripple, that's Ripple will be successful. So it doesn't really matter. They have to make up lies, keep them from rugging. Explain those lines you drew on the XRP chart. Oh yeah, this is just a channel. So like right here, so you're trying to find the channel here. And again, if it falls outside the channel, it's a little bit more bearish, obviously. So you can see trying to stay in the channel of growth. And it's a lot easier when you zoom out. Like I said, if like zooming in, I mean, you can see, look at the growth on this thing, dude. This chart is insane. If you zoom out on that bad boy, look at all the hell we went through, guys. I pulled this through. Look at this. This is so sad. This is XRP, dude. for years. XRP for years. Everyone holding this, just like, look at that. It's like a line of hell. That's what that is. That's a line of hell. And then boom, look at that. Look at that. Let's see. How many times will XRP hold their bags not to sell the run? Probably a lot, dude. A lot of people are going to hold the bag. I'm ignorant about HBAR. What's the benefit? What does HBAR have to offer? Well, it's a hash graph. It's going to allow microtransactions, and that's why the Fed now has partnered with them for to use a hash graph and to use their their system for microtransactions. So on a blockchain. And it's fast, it's secure, and it allows for microtransactions. So that's a huge thing. That's a huge win for HBAR, and they're working with Fed now, so which is basically like the new Swift. How likely do you think that XRP will be the #1 crypto? Dude, it'll be interesting to sort of see what happens. I have a hard time thinking that anything will challenge Bitcoin, but never know. You think XRP is going to flip Bitcoin in 1 year? Really, Digital? So you think it's gonna be? You think it's gonna be over? You think it's gonna be? That's okay. Hey man, clock it. Yeah, don't forget to like the stream. Appreciate you. Exodus wallet, good. I've never used Exodus wallet, dude. Holding 3K XRP, that's good, JM. 100 years from now, someone said 100 years from now. 100 years from now, it'll pass Bitcoin. You're not showing. I know I should flip it over here. Here, I'll flip it over for you. I have my phone plugged in, dude, and that's why I can't. My phone's plugged in. If I move it, I have to. I guess I can unplug it here for a second. Hold on. All right, here, I'll show you what I'm talking about. All right, so that's what I was talking about right here. So you can see, basically, you have the channels right here, and that was what I was saying. I was joking is that it's like the line of death right here of everything we held through with Bitcoin or with XRP, and the next thing you know, it's just like, here we go. Oh gosh, all the just holding, and then boom, like total just takeoff right there. So that's what I was saying to him. That's pretty. It's pretty cool how it did that though. Just like I gotta plug this bad boy back in. It's crazy how much TikTok uses up your battery on your phone, dude. Doge has the lowest burn rate. Why? Dude, it's crazy. It's crazy, yeah. Doge. Dude, I'm so far behind. This is so hard to keep up on the chat, dude. And for the gains, thanks so much for Hot on the Bag. What's up, dude? Thanks so much for the $2 donation. What's up, A-Team? What's up? And for the gains, longtime A-Teamer in the house here. Hodl in the bags. That's what I'm talking about, buddy. The Koreans are selling all while we're buying during the day. That's probably true. Boomer Sumer here. What's up, bud? Boomer Sumer, Cool Cat. What's up, bud? Cool Cat Crypto. The Cosmos gets me off, dude. Cool Cat Crypto. Like changing it to Cosmos throws me off. In 100 years, I'll be taking along that. Yeah. New people in crypto, don't fall for this talk. XRP will never pass Bitcoin. It might pass Ethereum and reach $8 in 2025, maybe. Digital is just a really big XRP maxi, so he's really big onto it. I think I don't know if I can see XRP beating Bitcoin anytime soon. It might down the road. Again, anything's possible in crypto. We all know that, but Bitcoin's kind of like the gold standard, and you can see all the countries buying it up. But to each our own. You know what I mean? Like I said, I'll never discount it. Bitcoin is way too expensive. That's how every American sees it, unless they've been in crypto for over 4 years. That's true, King David. I'll give you that. Hive Mapper has an interesting service coming. Oh, really? You're talking with is Hive Mapper? Is that also is that a Helium thing? The Hive Mapper thing? XRP will go to 10 to 30 this run. Yeah, so I'll put it about at $10. If it puts it at $10, right? I think I just did the math on that. All right, so $20. If it goes to $20, it puts that 1.1 billion market cap. So it's not too bad. You're not showing. Sorry. What are your price predictions for XRP? Yeah, I'm on board. Oh, by end of December. Ooh, that's tough. I don't know, man. End of December's tough. Webull Pay didn't even allow you to buy HBAR. Didn't it not allow you to buy HBAR? That's wild, dude. You want $2 XRP? A lot of people want the dip to come, dude. A lot of people want the dip. It's a party now. I know No Worries was kind of worried when you took the wrong way. What? You can't do a direct comparison to Bitcoin. Look at the numbers of coins available in circulation for Bitcoin versus XRP. Yeah, there's no direct. There's no. That's why you have to use the market cap as a way to evaluate, because you can't compare it based off coins, but you can compare it based off market cap. And so, and again, the other crazy thing too is that the reason why I say no matter how you look at it, like Bitcoin will always be the godfather, because if you look at just like look at the overall go, let's go down here, right? Let me move my fat head out of the way here. Let's move me over here. Oops, that's not it. If you can see right here, it says Bitcoin is up literally 200 million%. Bitcoin is up from its all-time low of 200 million%. I mean, like, dude, what? How is that even possible? You look at XRP. So even if you want to play the percent game of how much people have grown their bag, it's not even close, dude. XRP is up about 82,000%. So it's not even close in terms of percent gains. But again, if you want to look at it from that way, and that's how I look at it, is like that's why it's made the most billionaires and millionaires ever in the history of America and the globe and the world, not just America, in the world. My problem is I always at work when we hit the highs and can sleep when dude, that's the worst, Wes. I know your pain, dude. I know your pain, dude. I need to prove to my girlfriend XRP is important. That's actually pretty funny. What do you think of VeChain? I like VeChain a lot, dude. What 5 coins would you invest in today? Obviously Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, HBAR, and I would probably put, man, what's the other one I'd probably put? I guess a wild one out there would be the one I've invested in just randomly is Flare. And I have some other ones that I've invested in, but I'll just throw those out right now. No, it's not too late to get XRP and get as much as we can. Yeah, Pepe. Yeah, you could put, if you want a meme coin in there, we could throw Pepe in there. Pepe's not a bad deal. Never knew Eagles is 10. That's funny, dude. With Google Maps. I can't remember who's running Hive Mapper though. I've heard of it, but I don't know who's running it. SHIB went to 3 million plus percent was there. Yeah, I still don't think it beats Bitcoin's overall. Let's actually go look. Well, it's gonna be hard because SHIB is it's not gonna have our all-time highs. Actually, it might. Let's see. SHIB is sitting at. Yeah, you're right. Maybe it is SHIB. Yeah, you're right, dude. Plus 378 million. Yeah, you're right. SHIB might be the number one in terms of percentage wise. So they might be the king of that. No trolling, but valid question. Why, if XRP was the chosen one, would America's enemies not have bought it all up? Think about it. Why would they have bought it at all? They don't need the SEC. Well, they didn't buy up all Bitcoin either. I mean, you got to think about that. China banned Bitcoin, and then it wasn't until they were like, oh, crap, maybe we made the wrong choice. Where is Sui headed? It's probably going to do well. I think it's going to do well. Any guesses on XRP by Christmas? It could get to $3. Yeah, we're going to see how this weekend plays out. This will be an interesting weekend for XRP. Just be an interesting overall week. Tomorrow will be nice to sort of wake up to maybe some green candles, hopefully. What is IMA? IMA? What is that, Carlos? Pepe is clearly the future. Props is the real estate. Let's see here. Muff coin. You guys in that Muff coin, dude. Flare has a lot of potential. I think Flare does too, man. We want the Muff coin. The Muff coin is not coming out, dude. The Muff coin will not be happening. I will never drop my own. There is no way in hell. I don't understand how people drop their own cryptos. I just don't get it. Why? What's the point? There's 0 point to dropping your own crypto. I'm gonna be honest. Like, it's stressful. That's stressful. Why? Would you buy 1 ETH or 4K worth of SOL? Ooh, that's tough. I'd probably do. Yeah, I'd probably do. Let's see. I'd probably do ETH. I'm a little more conservative. I think SOL might run a little more though. I think it has a chance to get to 1,000, and it's at sitting at what 250, 230. So it gives you a nice little 4x. Right now with Ethereum, it's sitting about roughly what 3,800. So I think it's going to get well over 10K. So that's maybe like a 2.5, maybe a little less than 2.5. So, if you're looking for more of that, like that kind of style, I'd probably go to Solana if you want a little bit bigger. But that's what I would probably do. But Solana is a lot more volatile, I think, than ETH is at this point. I don't know enough about Jasmine. People are trying to tell me, but yeah. Veracity. I don't own Veracity, but I mean, obviously, I've heard about it a lot. Alex Becker talks about it a lot, or he used to. I don't know if he still does. I used to watch Alex Becker talk about it, but I haven't watched him in a long time. So no one knows anything for sure. True. TB13. That is a valid statement. I'm selling everything for Muffcoin. There's never bad timing to get in. Yeah, the only bad timing is when you're sitting on the outside looking in going, damn, I should have bought. Is it still worth investing in HBAR after its recent pump? I mean, I think the future for HBAR is bright. I really do. HBAR is one of those where I think it's has massive potential. Yeah. Always has. Dude, don't even talk about that digital. I'm about to ban you. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. That word shall not be named. Hawk 2 is garbage coin, dude. That is crazy, dude. And then when you listen to CoffeeZilla talk about that, dude, that is some disappointing stuff. Like, she didn't give a shit. I remember yesterday I was saying how like I feel bad for her and like she feels like she got taken advantage of. I totally take that all back. I take it all back. After listening to her speak in the space, like it is crazy how much she didn't care, dude. She's like, yeah, I completely rugged my community. I can care less. And I'm like, dude, that is wild. That is just a wild. Her whole everything on that space just blew me away, dude. I couldn't believe it. And they were just like, yeah, we basically robbed you guys. We were looking. They said that they were focusing on bringing people that aren't in crypto into crypto. And it's like, so you were looking to get the vulnerable people that don't know anything about crypto into crypto so you could rug pull them. Like, that sounds great. Like, what? It's just wild, dude. And no offense, dude, but like I can't even listen to her, unfortunately. So dude, I can't believe it's already been almost an hour and a half. Holy crap, dude. Big brother, what's going on? Pepe to a cent. Oh, that could be a tough one. Hey, Austin, get a chance to try that Philippine ice cream yet? Welcome back. Yeah. IWN right there. IWN. Yeah, you guys are funny, man. You guys are funny. I'd choose ETH over SOL. Yeah, I'm probably with you. I'd probably go for that. Spit on it. Oh my god, dude. The chat's wild tonight, dude. You come in if you want a wild chat tonight, dude. You come into this chat right now. LCX will go. Oh man. Let's see. Pepe. I have 40K. Do you recommend investing in XRP or Dogecoin? Oof. I will not. I cannot give you that advice, dude. There's no way. Is XRP still exploding? It's getting there. We're gonna get there, dude. It's gonna come. Secret. When do you predict the XRP? I'm hoping sooner rather than later. I don't have a prediction, but we'll see what happens when it hits the channels here. I can't do the whole thing. I got caught on tape dancing a few weeks ago, and I don't really think she's ever Oh my god, dude. You guys are crazy. She just yeah, you guys are wild. Oh my gosh, dude. Yeah, influencers plus crypto equals rug pulls. Yeah, daily biker. I would never do that, dude, ever. XRP over Doge all day is what digital says. But I'm not gonna tell the guy he's saying to put $40,000. I'm gonna be like, yeah, go invest your $40,000 in XRP. Yeah, I get what you're saying. Needless, annoying. I get what you're saying. I totally understand what you're saying with it. Why would they not do that? You're right. You got a Discord server, dude? I actually do. I just haven't opened it up to anyone. I Twiz created one for me, dude. Maybe a year ago, probably January. I think he did it in January. Twiz built me a Discord in January, and I was gonna open it up for all the A teamers. Right? You're gonna have to have a subscription. It was gonna be subscription based, so I didn't get all a bunch of crazy people in there. Yeah, but I just never followed through with it. So and we're gonna have a lot, obviously have some things in there, but yeah, I just never followed through with it. I kind of fell flat. So maybe I'll swing it back open. If you guys, even if you guys, I don't even know if you guys are interested in stuff like that. There's so many people out there that have Discords and all this kind of stuff, and I've always been sort of away from it, but at the same time, I know there's a lot of people that want to talk off camera, have interactions off camera, off stream, talk about things behind closed doors type stuff. And I'm all on board with that kind of stuff. I think that's a good thing for a community to have. I started to jump on it earlier this year. I just didn't follow through with it. San Francisco, Bob, Render, Decentraland. What's your opinion on any of these? Well, the only one that I really know out of that one is Mana. And I'm not a big Mana fan. Not that it's going to do bad. I just like Sand. I think Sand is probably my pick for the metaverse type thing. I have heard of Render. I don't know enough about it. And then the other one, Echelon Prime. I haven't heard that one either. So thanks so much for the $5, dude. But yeah, I think Mana's going to do well. Obviously, it's one of the larger metaverse plays out there. But I'm sort of on the whole Roblox Sand thing. Do you think it's a good idea to buy Dogecoin? Dude, after the news that came out with the Dogecoin miners, I might actually dip my toes back into the Dogecoin. The news came out. I should probably find that here. Let's see if I can find it real quick. It was actually really good news with Dogecoin. Oops, that's not what I wanted. I don't know if I can find it. Sometimes you start reading stuff, dude, and then all of a sudden it like pops up and you're like, oh, that's awesome. And sometimes I just like don't even save it, and I should save it because it actually sometimes has really, really good news. Oh, did you see that Marathon Digital came out and announced that they're going to be purchasing 850 million Bitcoin? That's pretty crazy, dude. So Mara is obviously a publicly traded company that mines Bitcoin. So when they make purchases like this, they have to make a public announcement, just like how MicroStrategies has to. And they just announced today that they're going to be buying 850 million of Bitcoin on the open market. So that's pretty damn crazy. They didn't announce when they were going to do it, but they did announce that that's what their plan was. I forgot to talk about that this morning. I thought that was pretty crazy news. I was like, crap. Yeah, I can't find this. I might have to dig some more. I'll probably dig off camera. So I got to look at this. I got one starred thing before I'm going to look at this real quick here. It's Tim Shea. He said to look at Dragon. I've never even looked at this thing, dude. DRGN. Dragon Chain. This is like straight degen, bro. Is this like straight degen? Jeez. I mean, this is like, bro. Dude, that's down so. All right. Yeah, you guys can look into it at your own discretion. Render is a solid play with backing of Apple and Nvidia. Oh, okay. I mean, I've heard of Render. I just haven't looked too much into it. XRP or Dogecoin for 10K investment. A lot of people are going to say XRP, but Doge has always been too much supply. It was because it's inflationary. Austin, if you didn't buy them, don't touch them. They can drain your wallet. Or what are you saying? Oh, you're saying Doge chain looks interesting, dude. That looks wild, dude. Simon, what's up, Simon? Let's see who's over here. What's going on? We got. Do you think it's a good idea to buy Dogecoin? If the miner thing is right, to where they will actually be able to mine triple the amount, dude, that could really increase the price, because that's their biggest battle. Is it's an inflationary coin, meaning that new coins are developed every single day. Austin, buy SHX already. I did not buy that, dude. He really wants me to buy SHX. Stronghold token looks so bad though. It's actually recovered pretty well. I'll give him that, dude. When he first came to me with this thing back in like, when was that? It had to been like earlier this year. It looked a little rough, but this thing has actually done pretty well. Up 300% overall. That's not bad. Over the last year, it's done tremendous. So yeah, over the last month, it's up 225%. I have to look more into this digital. Flare is great entry right now. Yeah, Flare's looking pretty good. Flare is a fork for Avalanche. Will XRP go up a lot in 2025? I think it will. Ethereum prediction by January 1st. I don't know. I'm hoping we have a nice little run to January. To be honest with you, December is usually a rough month for crypto. It's usually is a rough month for crypto. Usually is a rough month for the stock market. Towards the end of December, we have a little bit of some sell-offs where people are taking profits. People are, selling things for the taxes. So December is not the greatest for. I mean, you can go back and look at the history of the stock exchange and stock market, and December is just not like the stock market month. Flare is a bridge network. Yeah, Flare is a bridge network. That's what they're working on. And bridges are dangerous too, dude. So if Flare can lock up the bridge networks to where it's like actually secure, to where people can't come in and hack them and steal everyone's money, that's where Flare could actually come in and like do some really good stuff. You could buy Flare on Coinbase, dude. It's past your bedtime, Ricardo. All right, man. Good. If you're heading off, good night, dude. What do you think about Quant? Dude, Quant's great, man. Any of the ISOs are good, dude. Quant's good. Homie, what do you think about Flow? I don't own any Flow, Alex. Flare is going to have a ton of, you think it's going to have a ton of liquidity? I've been buying. What have you been buying, user? Should I hold XRP? I mean, it's definitely a top 3 crypto. You think, Passport says flat out buy for XRP right now and hold for a few months. It's starting to climb a little bit. That next candle right here on the 4-hour chart's looking like it's in the green. So that's a good indicator, right? Mogcoin. You guys are in Mogcoin, Joe? I mean, you can't knock Mog, dude. Mog, I mean, it made it onto Coinbase. You can't really knock that. What's the deal with Peanut? I don't know, man. I don't know if that thing has climbed massively, Char. Waiting for the rest of my Flare to drop. Slim was right about Saitama. What's up, Onion? Slim was right. Yeah, I'll give him that. Slim Jesus. What cold wallet do you recommend? Just probably the Ledger, dude. Just get a Ledger Nano. Like the only YouTuber that responds. Like the only. Oh, you're saying I'm the only YouTuber that responds? I try to. I miss a lot of comments. But I try to respond to as many people as possible and try to stay on task. So that's the hardest part, is trying to stay on task. What have you heard about XRP decreasing supply? I don't think I've heard of XRP decreasing supply. I don't know. Digital, are they talking about decreasing supply? I don't think I've heard of that. Jersey, thank you so much for the $5. In crypto, only 1.5. Only 1.5 started XRP at 34. Now ADA, HBAR, Dogebeam, and XLM. You're addicted. Thank you so much for the $5 donation. Yeah, dude, you're starting 1.5 years ago, and that's pretty good, dude. I mean, hey, right there, the XRP at 0.34, you're sitting on gold. Same with XLM, dude. I think those are a really good bar. HBAR, ADA, yeah, I think you got all good picks. I think you should be sitting pretty happy with your crypto. What's your thoughts on Treasure, the 5.0? I haven't used that short, dog. I read about it today. Oh, you read about that today? I didn't see anything like that today about them declining. I saw that they were thinking about not with their allocation of tokens, they were looking at not spending them. I did see something like that, but XRP is never going back down. Austin solid, no cap. I appreciate that, dude. I appreciate you. I appreciate everyone here, dude. It's really hard to comment back to everyone, but it's something that a lot of YouTubers do not do. And so it's something that I've tried to get really good at, is responding to everyone, because that's why you guys are here, we should have an open dialogue and talk about a bunch of things. So I try really hard to get back to everyone. I mean, that's why you come in to talk about crypto, to say your opinion. So yeah. And that's why I appreciate everyone coming in here and talking and subscribing to the channel. Slim saved me from getting wrecked. Yeah. I mean, hey, dude, going back to Slim Jesus, man, he saved a lot of people, dude. XRP already has low fixed supply. Yeah, it's true. I mean, I think they only have half their supply out there right now. What do you think about buying crypto from the cold wallet as opposed to an exchange? I mean, that's up to you, dude. However you want to do it, but you still have to. You'll still have to connect your cold storage. So as soon as you connect it to the internet, it's no longer a cold storage, right? So as soon as you as soon as you plug it in to transfer your money over, it's no longer really technically a cold storage at that point. Until you unplug it and disconnect it from the internet, that's when it's cold storage. Tibby Tob, thank you so much for the $20 donation. Damn, bro. Take a look at the Arrowbud chart, rapidly growing charity dog coin on base ecosystem. I'm probably not going to pull that up, but I mean, I do appreciate the $20. It sounds like a meme coin. You know, I won't be pulling it up, but I do appreciate $20, and I hope that the Arrowbud chart and the charity dog does really well for you on the base ecosystem. What do you think of Phantom? I think Phantom's pretty good, dude. I think Phantom's good. Austin sent me a Pine State biscuits. You guys are wild as hell, dude. Thank you so much for the follow over here on XRP on TikTok. Thank you so much. I've sort of what is your thoughts on Treasure? I've already said that. Where do you recommend to store your crypto? I store it on Ledger. Uphold good to use. I'm not a big fan of Uphold just because I think it's a clunky system for an exchange. That's all. Been buying XRP since 2017. Damn, dude. You took some profits at 275. Hey, dude, if you gotta take some profits, take some profits. A lot of people have been holding for years, dude. So a lot of people have been holding for a long time. So yeah, taking profit, no big deal. I'm worried about Robinhood being shady and saying they don't have XRP or something. Just don't trust. Don't trust an exchange. That's one thing I'll tell you right now, dude. Like, do not trust the exchanges. Except, you know what? Again, but I will say this though, dude. I had, this is why I like Coinbase, dude. And I'm gonna actually. Oops, I'm not gonna go. Let's go to X here real quick. I just posted this today on my YouTube channel here. Right here. I think I retweeted it. This is so true, dude. I can attest to how good Coinbase is as an exchange. And like right here, it says today Coinbase is launching Coinbase One Premium, a new tier that allows you to experience a truly unlimited version of Coinbase One. So what does it entail? It entails an unlimited zero trading fee, which for me, I get that back tenfold. It says unlimited boost on USDC rewards, 25% back on unlimited amount of Coinbase advanced spot fees. So anytime you go out there and you do some spot trading and stuff like that, they'll actually kick you back up to 25%. And then the best thing right here is that 250,000 coverage for unauthorized account access, meaning that if it's basically insurance, it's like insurance on your stuff. So up to 250,000, just like you would with your bank account. FDIC. This is the real deal, dude. I mean, like, Coinbase is doing the real stuff here. This is why I will only use Coinbase for a majority of my trading. Oh, again, and I will if I want to store a little bit of money on there for day trading and stuff like that, I'm going to use Coinbase because I feel like I can trust them over any other places because of stuff like this. She should just made an OnlyFans. Dude, she should have just made an OnlyFans. Cartman McGee, thanks so much for the $2. Tima on Soul Bitmart is leaving the stratosphere. Appreciate you for the $2 donation to the channel there. Thank you so much. I heard 90,000 for XRP by February 2025. That's a long way. What do you think of MOG? I mean, dude, Jeff, MOG is on. I mean, it's established now. You can't really deny that. Jasmine will be 2 point. Do you think it'd be 20 cents by the end of the month? Ooh, interesting. Interesting. Thank you so much for the super chat. Appreciate you guys. If you bought the green and now in the negative, that's your strategy to sell again when it goes past 3, sell at the break even. Yeah, I would agree with that, Flo. We appreciate you. We're always here. Love this chat. And the answer is, yeah, Ethan, thanks so much for being here. We got a lot of new people in the chat here. A lot of new people on the A team here. We got roughly about 1,265 people in here watching. Again, if you're a silent viewer, appreciate you being there. If you want to come chat and ask questions, always feel free to ask the questions. No question is dumb. Have you ever heard of ApeCoin? Yeah, Crypto Slick. Good old ApeCoin. There's been a lot of stuff out about ApeCoin, dude. Like a lot of stuff out. I do not hold ApeCoin though. You know, it's not. I think for a metaverse crypto, I'm more of in the sandbox area. Busy, thank you so much, Busy. The ledger is more than willing to give the government your information. I don't think so, dude. If you sign up, William Knights, if you sign up for the one that they probably have your seed phrase, I think they probably will. But you know, the good thing is that the ledger doesn't really once it's offline, there's no way they can really get your information. I use Uphold, but their user interface sucks. Yeah, it's super clunky. Big Watch, super clunky. You like Tangent Wallet, Ryan? Okay. You got premium, so do I, dude. Premium's it's honestly the best thing I bought. It's $2.99 a month. That could be expensive for a lot of people, but I mean, like, it's honestly, I feel so much more. I feel better about it. Coinbase is decent for sure. Yeah, it really is. Crypto on exchange is owned by the exchange. They have the keys 100%. Move that stuff off exchanges. Awfully rude of you to miss a chart request when they paid you. No, dude, we're not going to share charts, dude. I'm not going to. That's not how it works. But I appreciate that. I do appreciate it. You know, if you guys want to go look at it off camera, go for it, dude. Busy Bee, do deeper. I heard too many viewers of accounts being frozen on Coinbase. It does. That's one thing that does suck, dude. Is it does. It does. What does suck about it is it. Sometimes it does when shit gets going crazy, they pause some stuff. That's the only downside. That's why. But again, you shouldn't store it on there. So, what's going on with Jasmine? Honestly, I don't know. A lot of people just like Jasmine right now, dude. A lot of people are buying Jasmine. Should I get XRP? Do digital. We do not say that name in this chat. The government is going to get your information. They already got the information. I mean, honestly, if you signed up for Coinbase or any of these exchanges, you have to KYC. They got your info, bro. The government uses Coinbase. Unsubbing. He just dissed someone who donated. It's okay, Funky Action. I mean, I don't know what to say, dude. I mean, I'm not here to promote stuff that you know I'm not really invested in and don't think that I'll let other people decide if they want to. So yeah, I appreciate like I said, I appreciate the donation and thank you for being here. Thank you for the commenting. I just, you know, it's a meme coin donation token. I'm not really into that, but I do appreciate it. If you bought the green and now in the negative, yeah, you read that. ApeCoin's good. I just don't own it. Coinbase is better buying when Robinhood, but transfer to a cold wallet. Yeah, transfer to a cold wallet. Is it bad to have a wallet? I'm new. No, you want to get a non-custodial wallet and or cold storage, whatever you feel better with. But yeah, you definitely don't want it on exchanges. Hello, Austin. What about the Sui coin? Any thoughts? I mean, it's doing well, doing super good. One question Austin will not answer. What is that? XRP going up in a bit? I hope so, dude. We're sitting here watching. It's on a nice little green candle for 4 hours, so that's pretty good. Especially after the dip from Bitcoin today. Yeah, you can't beat that. What's going on? Does Coinbase? Oh shoot, I just missed it. Does Coinbase take a lot of your profits? Yeah, they do. The fees are expensive on Coinbase. That's why paying the $2.99 and not paying any fees is great. They do take a good amount. New sub, great stuff. Oh, appreciate you, man. Thank you so much. Projections are $1.90 with Dogecoin. Dude, I mean, that would be crazy. I got to find this mining tomorrow, dude. Tomorrow, I'm going to find it tonight, and I hope I can find it tonight. And tomorrow morning, we'll talk about the Dogecoin, the mining thing that I found, and I'll try to find some more stuff on it. So, Doge, dude, I was thinking about buying directly from a cold wallet if it goes. Yeah, that's gonna be tough to do. Great chat, kudos. Anyone using Raspberry Pi to trade? I don't even know what that is. ETH is breaking out right now. Oh yeah, dude, up $100 right now, up 2.84%. You know, let's move over to the ETH chart. Yeah, it's looking good on the 4 hour. Look at that, dude. Look at the 4 hour chart on ETH. That is a good call. It is looking good. Ondo, we have a lot of people in here that own Ondo, dude. I don't own it, so yeah. How do you think of XRP is going to go? I think it's gonna do well. Ray, what's up, buddy? Ray Ultimate in the house here. I haven't seen Ray in a long time. It's good to see you, buddy. Hope you and Lena are doing fantastic, dude. It sounds like you guys are. So, congrats to you guys too on the marriage. ETH is breaking out right now. It is. It's looking good, dude. I like RLSU launch tomorrow, dude. If it launches tomorrow, David, respect. Where to store an exchange? You try to store it on a non-custodial wallet. So, like, download like a MetaMask, something like that. What about APOTS? What's your wallet recommendations? Definitely a MetaMask, dude. I'm a big I'm old school. I like MetaMask. I used to like SafePal. SafePal is good for if you need to bridge something. That's definitely use that. But I'm more of an old school person. I have most of my purchases for Robinhood. Dang, dude. Do you think tomorrow it's going to launch? All right, dude. We're coming out hot with it, David. Yeah, tomorrow RLUSD to $5. Oh, you're saying XRP will go to $5? Okay, I get what you're saying now. I get what I'm picking up what you're putting down. The 7.9 Pro. Everyone here will remember the name Squid Grow. The utility silent swap launches 12.9. Satoshi is the Deb, most famous trader of all time, turned 8K into 5.7 billion with SHIB. I bet 6 figures on this play. Wow, that's impressive. You bet 6 figures on that? So what, you put like $100,000 in? That's crazy. The 7.9 Pro, thank you so much for the $20 donation. I appreciate that a ton. 6 figures is a lot, dude. That's a lot of money to put into an investment. I'll give you that. Anyone have experience, good or bad, with BC Vault? I don't know, William. I don't know at all. I haven't messed around with that. I have like 20K and waiting to go. Goodbye. Ouch. Sorry, I'm freaking up. Caspa is legit, Paul. I like Caspa a lot. Yeah, I like it a lot. Should I hold XRP? I bought it at $2.60. I mean, yeah, you're down just a little bit right now. How do you switch it back to an exchange to sell? You just put your you go to the exchange, and then you'll click click receive, and you'll get like a QR code or you'll get basically a wallet number, and you copy that wallet number, put it in there. It's the best way to do it, dude. Yeah, thank you so much for the donation, man. Appreciate that. Mr. Krabs, $2. Why are you live late? Is there some crazy news? No, I just been streaming. I've been trying to get back into the swing of things on streaming, dude. The news that was really good for what I thought was really good today was 2 things for us, and that's David Sachs becoming the crypto czar for the Trump administration, and then the SEC came out and announced that they're most likely going to put an extension on the Ripple lawsuit filing on January 15th to extend it another 30 days to allow the Trump administration to make a decision on it, which would be fantastic, right? So now Gary Gensler would physically have his hands off of all crypto, all Ripple, and most likely Ripple's going to win that one. They're going to wash their hands clean of it, and we're going to have some very, very bullish news. That's my prediction. Would it start taking? Would it be starting taking my 80+ win or keep holding for 4 years, dude? I am. That's tough, dude. What is your 80? What is your 80K win in? Like, what are you up in? Are you like in blue chip, or are you like in like some kind of crazy meme coin? Will XRP ever get back to 220? I hope not. I mean, it could dip down at some point. Yeah. What is 299 you pay? Oh, it's 299.90. It's right here. Oh, did I already get it out of there? Here, I'll go back to it. Let's go to X. Right here. It's the Coinbase Premium. It's right here. It's $2.99 a month. I'll zoom in on that. $2.99 a month, and it's varies by region. But yeah, it's you got right here. This is great right here. So you got 250,000 in coverage for basically if you lose your crypto on there. So they insure your crypto on there, and then on top of that, you got 0 trading fees, which is fantastic. Like they beat you up on trading fees, dude. That's one thing that does suck about Coinbase. If I had to pick one thing that's negative about Coinbase, is they will eat you up and spit you out with fees, dude, and price impacts. Would you just ride it if you don't need the cash? Yeah, if I don't need cash, I'm letting it ride, dude. There's no reason, especially if you're up in a blue chip. If it's a meme coin, some crazy, whatever it is, I would sell that stuff so fast I wouldn't even blink. Whatever happened to Sephirium? I have no idea. You guys are the ones talking about Sephirium, dude. I have no idea what happened to that thing, dude. Let's see, Pepe, buy, not buy. It's hard. I'm I'm not going to add to my Pepe bag. We bought so long ago. I probably wouldn't buy. If you were going to buy, it would probably have been well before the Coinbase listing. At the meetup, everyone has to wear the screen name on a t-shirt. That'd actually be pretty funny. Hey, Digital Orgy, you just go by the name. You don't even have to tell me your real name. Dude, should I buy XRP? I bought it at this price. It's actually at the same price I bought it at. RLL USD out tomorrow. Dude, $2.99 a month for Coinbase, no limit trading. I made it my first couple of days. Dude, I'm with you, Sean. It's the best deal ever. Honestly, I think they're going to come back and be like, yeah, I think we overestimated this and we need to up it to like $6.99. That's what I'm afraid of. It's going to be too good. It's like too good it's too good. Yeah, $2.99 a year for coin, but dude, they zero trading fees. I mean, honestly, you make a $10,000 trade, you already paid off your month. Like, I swear. Plus it's just better. I think XLM will move. Yeah, XLM will probably move with XRP. The good thing is that right now this 4-hour chart, which is going to end here, should end here. Yeah, it should end here in about 16. Well, we got a little ways to go on the 4-hour chart, but we got another 2 hours. But it's already in the green. That's a good sign. Oh, come on. Dude, what is going on? There we go. Gosh, sometimes this chart is finicky, dude. It can be super annoying. I'm gonna scroll down just a little bit, guys. If I missed your comments, I'm sorry. Just trying to catch the bottom here. Flare Secure Collateralized Bridge Network is a beta on Songbird Network. I read that today, Rose. Yeah, I'm actually kind of, dude. Bridging a bridge is so hard in this space, dude. Bridging is probably one of the hardest things to do. If Flare could actually corner that and make it to where they could secure a bridge for any transaction and not be how, dude, like that would be one of the biggest wins in crypto. Anyone would agree with that. I don't think anyone in crypto would disagree with that. Do you like companies, stocks, Tesla, Meta? Yeah, dude, I got a ton over here. You can see them right over here on this side. I have all my stocks over here too. Coin, Intel, Riot, Mara, Tesla, Google, Apple, Microsoft, Netflix, Nvidia, Alibaba, and then the man, the myth, the legend right here, and MicroStrategies. Shiba is good. Long hold. Wait 10 years. Wish you could post pictures on here. Could show you. What are you gonna show me? Damn, they're buying local tops. Buy I'm the bear market. What are you saying? You're gonna buy it up? What about XLM? Yeah, XLM's good, dude. It's gonna probably follow XRP. Turbo going up. Is it turbo going up now? Let's go look at the markets here real quick. Take a look at the market. Let's see, Chainlink or XRP. I like XRP. Have you heard of HBAR? Oh yeah, Andy, dude. We're Andy Mendez. We are fully engaged in HBAR, 100%. Thank you so much for the follows. Take your profit and let the rest ride long term. That's not a bad strategy if that's what you need. You know what I mean? Take your profit, especially if you're in some high risk, low cap. Yeah, the crypto market's looking pretty good the last hour, even the last 24 hours. A lot of these are looking good, up 13% for Sui token. Even Hedera, dude. Hedera is still looking so good, man. Gosh, Hedera's looking really good right now. Internet Computer, yeah, looking good, up 30% over the last 7 days. Gosh, yeah, a lot of these are good, dude. Bonk. You said what was the one you just told me? You said Turbo. That's what you said. Yeah, it's up 7% right now. You got knocked Turbo, dude. I mean, it got listed on freaking. It's getting listed on Coinbase, right? They're talking about it getting listed on Coinbase. We'll see if it does. It's in the works, right? They were talking about it. I don't know if it's going to happen, but yeah, we'll see. How do you think of the lowest XRP position in this situation? What do you mean? How do you think what do I think of the lowest position? I I don't know. XRP to 30 this run. First time viewer will definitely be watching you. The theta you will thank me. All right, William. I appreciate you, man. Get that theta. All I think about is like that song was like theta. What was that? Was that like Stomp the Yard, the Thetas or whatever? That's what I think of when I think of. Yes, I think super realistic. All right. It's so funny that the TikTok, they tell you, they're like, hey, by the way, you've been streaming for 90 minutes. Make sure to stand up and take a break. They notify you. Did someone sue them? Like, hey, I sat too long and got sick. Let's see here. It is dumb to leave your coins in the exchanges. Sorry, newbie. Yeah, do not leave your crypto on exchanges, bro. Unless you're like day trading them. Unless you're like, you're gonna buy them, you're gonna hold it for a couple days and sell it. You could probably do that versus paying the transaction fees. If you're doing some long, if you're putting some longs or some shorts or you're doing things like that, like yeah. But if you're just buying it and letting it sit there, like that should just be moved to a cold storage or at least a non-custodial so that you own that crypto. If you leave it on the exchange, you don't own it, dude. ASMR, thanks so much for the $2. What's the cheapest exchange to withdraw from? Oh, each of them have pretty decent fees, dude. Probably the cheapest one that oh man, that's a good question. What is the cheapest one? I don't think that the good thing, so I'm gonna probably stick with Coinbase, dude. Coinbase does not charge you to transfer on and off of their exchange. So if I sell into fiat and then transfer that to my bank, I don't get charged. So yeah, and then that's a tough one. I don't know. I only really use Coinbase, so I can't really speak on other exchanges. When Ripple can operate in the US, 100 for sure. You think it's going to hit $100? $100 for sure is that what you just said? Premium is way worth. I can cover a year in fees in just one trade plus 250 in protection. No brainer. Yeah, right. The 79 Pro, dude. It's a no-brainer for me too. Hey Austin, what's your take on HBAR? Dude, I love the HBAR. Every time I see HBAR, I just like get excited about it. Look at that, dude. Up 95%. Every time I look at my portfolio, I'm like, oh man. Like pull out. Look at this thing. Look at this. Up 488%. This is one of those ones where it's just thankful we're all in it. What's the difference between meme coins, altcoins, and the main ultratarian coins? Well, you got meme coins that are just like, so altcoins typically are ones that try to carry, or at least they say they're going to have some kind of utility associated with them. Like Ethereum's an altcoin. They have a blockchain. They're not anything other than Bitcoin is considered an altcoin. And then meme coins are basically just, they don't have any intrinsic value to them. There's no utility to it. It's just, you basically buy it because you like it. It's like a commodity. Like you buy, like why do you buy Pokemon cards? Why do you buy NFL cards? Why do you buy Beanie Babies? That's why you're buying this meme, for the same thing. You're buying it to increase the value of it. That's it. The intrinsic value is the name of the meme coin. So that's what a meme is. I want whatever Luke is smoking. Nutrition for life. Don't see the option on Coinbase. Only Coinbase One for insurance. Yeah. So it said in some regions it might not do it. That's what I think I read. I think it read some regions will not do it. So depending on where you're at, I don't know regionally wise. Austin, heard HBAR is a long-term hold and seems so good. Why doesn't anyone talk about it? There's a lot of people actually that talk about it. One person I'm good friends with and follow, his name's Classy Crypto. He talks a lot about HBAR. And so, yeah, I try to talk about it. It's hard. So, right now I'm on such an XRP tear, I should talk more about HBAR, but yeah, HBAR is great, dude. Go in and follow them on Twitter. Twitter is a great spot to go follow Herdera. They put out a lot of content on there, the actual token itself. So X is a great platform to go onto and literally start following people, start following projects, and that's really how you're going to start to really learn a lot of these things. Best cold storage is Ledger for sure. Uni, yeah, I mean, dude, Uni is great. Uniswap's going to tear it up, dude. They already are. Did Ripple officially say tomorrow for? They did not, William. They did not say officially for tomorrow. It's not. Yeah. Let's see here. XRP is rising. Yeah, it's starting to come up right now, dude. We're sitting at 234. I feel like I am deciphering Gen X slang terms listening to you guys lingo. Where did that go? Everything is contextual. That's actually pretty funny. XRP is getting ready to send. Nutrition for Life. Thanks so much for the $10. Dang, is it really that bad to leave your crypto on exchanges until you finally decide to sell? What's the dangers of transferring all your assets to a wallet like Nano? Say you hold a lot, then transfer. So the reason why, so think of thanks so much for the $10, by the way. So an exchange is just like a bank. So if you go and you transfer $10,000 into your bank, you no longer own that money. You might see it on your interface. You might see it on your bank account, which is just an interface that they say you have 10,000 in this account. But that money you put in there, that cash you put in there, you actually don't physically own. Like that, the bank owns that. That's why when you go there and you say, "Hey, I'd like to take out $5,000," they're like, "Well, let me see. I got to go talk to someone." And if they come back and they're like, "Sorry, we don't have $5,000. We can give you 2,000 though." Then you're like, "Well, crap, I really want my 5,000." They're like, "Well, I can only give you 10. I can only give you 2,000 at this time. Come back tomorrow. I'll give you another 2,000." So they own your money. Like you. So that's why banks kind of suck with that. Think of it just the same way. An exchange is the exact same way. You go and you put your money on there. You put your crypto on there. They own that. That's why that was the big issue. Why exchanges should not be they should not own the crypto and hold the asset. When you look at stock markets like Fidelity and Charles Schwab and all those guys, there's a third party between those two, right? So they don't hold your asset. It's illegal for them to hold your asset. So it goes to a third party to hold the asset. Crypto's not that way. Crypto, they hold your asset and your money at the same time. They hold it all. So that was the big issue when the whole FTX fiasco happened. And so basically what happens now is that if you leave it on the exchange and say that exchange goes under, they take your money, dude. You don't but if you take those tokens or those coins off of the exchange and you put it into a cold storage, which is now you're moving it from the exchange onto the blockchain, which the blockchain is decentralized. Exchanges are centralized. That's why they're called centralized exchanges. They're centralized. You move it off of the centralized exchange onto a decentralized exchange, which is just the blockchain basically. And then you put it into a cold storage and now you own that money. It's like basically putting cash into your safe. Think of it like that. You're basically moving cash out of the bank into your safe. And then that is your safe. And so that wallet is like a safe. And there is dangers to transferring, right? That's why you got to make sure when you transfer that you are making sure that you actually are reading, it's a really long code. The good thing is now a lot of them are being saved into your stuff. So you can go back and double check real quick. I usually check the first like 5 numbers and the last 5 numbers. And if those don't match, then you don't send it. But if I'm sending big amounts of money, I'm reading the whole damn thing, dude. I am totally OCD with that. Like I will admit, I will take the extra 5 minutes to make sure that I'm sending it to the right address. So yes, you could lose your money by sending it to the wrong address, but that's why you just got to be very OCD with it. So that's the difference, dude. And so it's just really important that you get your money off exchanges. Like I cannot stress that enough. If that's the number one thing I stress the most, that's probably what it is. So Arculus wallet is the number one cold storage wallet. Yeah, I actually have heard of that one. I've never used it though. Yeah, I said Flare. Flare's great, dude. So hopefully I answered your question, Nutrition with Life. Some of these questions. Love you all, A-team. I'm going to pick up with the OGs. All right, buddy. Hey, Adam, thanks so much for being here, buddy. I'll see you tomorrow, dude. I hate you, Digital. Thank you so much for the $10 3 diglets. Are fees high when sending USDC under the Ethereum network? Dude, anything, this is why RL, I'm going to be honest here, dude. This is why I'm excited about RL USD. So when you go and you transfer into USDC or you transfer into USDT, which is Tether, yeah, you're going to pay a higher fee because USDC is not actually an Ethereum. It's not Ethereum based. USDT is Ethereum based. And so one thing you got to realize here is that they do wrap, like they're wrapped in other things, but I mean, like in all reality, like Tether is kind of like the Ethereum based. You can see right here, this is Tether, the Ethereum based one. If you go to USDC, I don't know if it's actually Ethereum based. I think it's its own thing. And I guess there is an Ethereum based wallet on here. So they do have their wrap, but I mean, you're going to pay a higher fee for these stable coins. That's the most annoying thing about stable coins is you pay a pretty high fee to get your stuff into there. Why I'm excited about the RLUSD is I don't think the fees are going to be as high because you're not going to be paying the network fees. So when you're paying to transfer, you're paying the network to make that transfer, and those networks are high. So whatever you're trading into, you're paying that network fee. And so, sometimes gas can be, if you're trading into the Ethereum network, gas can be $45. It could be $100 just for the network fee. Where with RLUSD, it's going to be super low and cheap. And so people are going to probably try to utilize that as much as possible. Hopefully I answered your question there, 3 Diglets. I feel like I'm safe on Uphold. Man, I'm just, yeah. Anything on there is kind of crazy to me. Let's see here. You do own it. You just don't have possession. I don't think you own it, dude. They have it. They could say you own it, but I mean, like, I just don't feel like you truly own it. You're right. You just don't have possession. I just don't think that either way, dude. You don't have possession, and I just don't think you own it. It might say it on an interface, but if they go under, dude, that shit is gone. I can't trade crypto through Meta. Elon Musk is going to take HBAR and Dogecoin to the moon. Dude, he might use HBAR for his transactions. I don't know. Not your garbage, cannot your garbage. So where do you put your crypto instead of on an exchange? You put it onto a non-custodial wallet like a MetaMask, like this right here. So here's a MetaMask. So you would download a MetaMask. So you just go over and you can download multiple accounts. And this is on the base chain right now. You can change the different, like here's Ethereum mainnet, then you got base. So you download a MetaMask wallet, you go to MetaMask, create a wallet. It'll give you a seed phrase. You save that seed phrase, write it down, put it in your safe, do whatever you want with it. And then now if you want to sell, you just go over here and you'll say receive, and then you'll say copy address. And then that's how you're going to receive it, because you're going to go over to Coinbase and put this address. You're going to copy this address into your Coinbase where it says send. You're going to copy that in there, and then you're going to press send, and it's going to come here, and then you'll be able to see it uploaded right here. Now, if you're going to send from here, you're going to say send, and you're going to be able to send then Ethereum. I don't have any money in here, but you'll send it from here, and then you'll put your exchange wallet address in there. So yeah, that's kind of how it flows. No way that you're reading that shit. That's way too long. What's up, dog? New sub here. Top 3 coins you recommend looking into right now. Let's go with. We'll stay away from. Well, obviously we're looking at XRP. I mean, XRP is like our baby right now. But let's just not look at that one. We'll say I definitely like HBAR. HBAR is up there. I'm definitely looking at. I have invested in Flare as well. That's one of those kind of out there type cryptos. And then what's another one? What's another good one? A lot of people have been talking about Jasmine here, even though I don't own Jasmine. But that seems like everyone wants to own Jasmine for some reason. Yeah, it's probably my big ones right now that I'm focused on are XRP, HBAR, and yeah, I think File is probably like that's more the degen play for me, even though some people say that's not really a degen play. Whatever happened to them? Beedrix, I don't know, man. I honestly don't know. Humor therapy to us, and the only thing that keeps us flying to Cali to film. Oh my god, you guys are wild, dude. Digital, a wallet, Nelson, Big Watch. Oh my god, dude, the chat. You guys are freaking wild, bro. Why HBAR? I mean, they've partnered with FedNow, so you can actually go and look. Here, I'll put this up here on the screen for you guys. This is why HBAR is super. I think HBAR is actually super legit. And the reason why I say that is here. I'll show you why. Give me 1 second. I'll pull it up. This is why Hedera's got some street cred, dude. Oh, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? I thought I had it saved. Damn it. I don't think I have it saved. All right, just a sec. Let me find it. Right here. Here we go. Let's proceed. This right here is why it's super. This is why it's super important to have Hedera, because they're obviously working with Drop Inc., which is obviously ran by that of Hedera itself, and this is who is actually partnering with the Fed now to work on the microtransactions. So Drop is a pay-by-bank alternative to credit card payments, allowing merchants to accept small value purchases digitally without paying large transaction fees. So now they're using this as a solution for the Fed now. And by doing that, it has now opened the door for these microtransactions to happen. And I mean, Fed now is basically like the overhaul of Swift on some scale. So Nutrition Live, thank you so much for the $10. Good to know. Never had a wallet, but looking into the Nano. How do you collect your money in the hole once you're ready to sell off your cold wallet? So what you would do is after your cold wallet, so say you, like I just had it here. Where'd it go? It's dark in here, so bear with me. So it's like it comes in something like this, right? This is like basically the example of what one would look like. You would plug this into your computer, boop. You would transfer your stuff from your phone because there's an app for the ledger on your phone, and you could transfer it that way. And then you would unplug it. Then if you want to make a transfer, you plug this back in, you go to your phone, and you make the transfers on your phone. So, and then this is the device that being unplugged keeps it as a cold storage. So that's what the Nano does. So we can't see it. Yeah, here, let me, I'll take this off so you can see it. Sorry, dude. Let's go here. So right there, dude, that's why. So this is what Drop is. Drop is a pay-by-bank alternative to credit card payments. And so Drop makes it possible for digital merchants to offer goods and services at a granular level that makes it more affordable. So you would basically use a QR scan code in a digital wallet, just like you would with Venmo and stuff like that, but you could use it as digital currency versus fiat. So that's what the Fed now is doing. And by them doing that, it just opens the door for this whole microtransaction things that we've talked about over the years to finally come to fruition. So yeah, thanks again, Nutrition is Life, for the $10 donation. I really appreciate that, dude. Look at Voyager, went bankrupt and lost everything. Dude, Voyager is another one, dude. 100% Voyager. Yeah, Voyager's scary, bro. Can I send my crypto on Coinbase to MetaMask? Yes, you can. Yep. Use Stellar Circle. You don't own it. Voyager went belly up and gave me 300 out of the 1100, and I became an unsecured debtor. Yeah, that's true, dude. Bearded Daddy. That's exactly what happened, right? You became an unsecured debtor. That's crazy to me, dude. Just freaking nuts. Well, look right now, FTX, right? We'll probably be talking about here in January, or no, it's probably, I think March of 2025. We'll be talking about it probably on the channel here. FTX will be releasing $16 billion to all the debtors out there, dude. Like everyone that lost money on FTX, they're hopefully going to get made right. I don't know if it's going to be 100% of their stuff, but yeah, it's going to be crazy. There's either going to be a massive sell on the market or there's going to be a massive buy. I don't know. It'll be very, very interesting to sort of see how it plays. It's going to be like a Mt. Gox situation. Austin, with HBAR utility being in full effect, what would be your guesstimate of price prediction? I can see HBAR. Let's look at the little thing here. Let's do HBAR. Let's play the scenario out here. Hedera. Why is it not showing up? There it is. All right, let's look at the price. What do we think it's going to be for Hedera? Let's put the price in. What do we want out of it? We could probably think it could be, let's say that we want it to be, we want it to be $2. What would that be? That'd be a 6x. I'd put it at about a $76 billion market cap. That's actually not that bad. Let's say we want it to be $1. That's going to be a 3x from now. I mean, yeah, I could probably hit $1, dude. I think it could probably do more. Depending on how much people actually use it, it could do really well, dude. Hedera is one of those where it could do really, really well, honestly. Like Hedera is definitely one of my tops because I think with being partnered with FedNow and the things that they're able to do. And again, it's not just FedNow, but once people see how, if it works out really good with the FedNow services, you're going to have other companies partnering with them. You could have like Apple, right? Apple needs that kind of that third party to be able to do that with their Apple Pay. They're working with Coinbase right now, but they still have to have that third party that's going to allow it to be secured in between. And you're dealing with not with fiat, you're dealing with crypto. So that's where Apple is going to have a struggle using Apple Pay because they're going to have to partner with a third party like a Hedera to be able to put some kind of system and or something like that in place to allow those microtransactions to happen, because that's what Apple is, right? Apple is basically a Venmo on steroids. Austin's getting sleepy. Yeah, it is 9 o'clock though, dude. I've been on here for what, almost 2.5 hours. Why do you think after the news H bar didn't go up? It did go up, dude. This is old news, dude. This isn't new. That's why this went up, bro. I'm just sharing you. That's why I'm on board with it. So that news came out a while. News came out a bit ago, but you can see it's people are starting to catch wind. If you buy low and sell high 2 days later, are you a profit day trader when yeah, you're gonna pay some taxes, Flo. You're gonna pay some short-term gains, dude. I swim with jeans on. That's rough, dude. That's a rough thing to do. Have you ever had anything about XYO? No. Robinhood over Coinbase? Yes. Just because this is a dumb chat room. It's just, no, you're good, dude. You're good, Magagoon. I'm just not a fan of Robinhood. That's just me personally. But hey, Robinhood could be good for a lot of people. I just prefer Coinbase. That's all. Again, they secure your money. I don't pay any trading fees. It's easy to use, user friendly, all that good stuff. They have a lot more cryptos on there than Robinhood does. A lot more cryptos. I don't think Robinhood has like 20 cryptos on there at most. How did everyone find this channel? Yeah, that's a good question. Does anyone know my question? Curious if I lose Bitcoin transferring to MetaMask from Coinbase, or it counts for a sale. Well, I don't know if to tell you the truth, I don't think MetaMask actually takes. That's a good question. I've never transferred my Bitcoin to MetaMask. I don't think MetaMask actually takes Bitcoin. That's why, but Ledger does. Ledger does allow that. I don't think I've never transferred Bitcoin to MetaMask. Someone may have. I've never have. If someone's transferred Bitcoin to MetaMask, let me know. I've never done it before. I've only transferred my Bitcoin to a cold storage, and it sits there. I'm not going to mess around with that. People, there's no way. You think Sui will have a pullback soon? Yeah, anytime something runs, yeah, for sure. Double transfer fees with cold wallets to trade with exchanges. Well, you typically will pay to get it into the wallet, and I don't think you have to pay to get it out, if I'm right. Levi, thank you so much for the 199 super sticker. I appreciate that, dude. Thank you so much. Tokenomics. Thoughts on Anchor? Dude, Anchor's been I don't even know what happened to Anchor. What happened to Anchor, dude? Who said that? Girl swimming with jeans on? That doesn't that sound so horrible? Robinhood is a secure wallet, though. It's not a secure. No, it's just an interface, dude. It's not even a wallet. It's an exchange. I don't think they have a Robinhood wallet, dude. With XRP and XLM dropping so much, do you think they have a return? Yeah, it hasn't dropped, dude. This hasn't dropped a lot at all. XRP is barely even dropped, dude. XRP crashing? No, it's not crashing at all. Now, crashing if it gets back down to $1, then we can start talking crashing. They take turns getting their next support levels. True, they do. No taxes, trade-off shorts, reason for BTC. Dude, that'd be nice if Trump comes out and says no taxes. Thoughts on Sand? Dude, I like Sandbox a lot, dude. Yeah, Sandbox is good, man. They partner with Roblox, or Roblox partner with them. I think it's a great thing. Coinbase advanced features. Yeah, it's Cloud 99. That's where you got to work. Get used to trading in Coinbase Advanced. Austin, you see the future of crypto turning bigger than the current regulated security. Oh, dude, yes. Yeah, dude. I think it's gonna get big, dude. I think they're gonna compete big time. Now that money's flowing in, dude, it's gonna be a whole different game. Pump it because it knows RLUSD is going to launch today. They know. Is Coinbase one same as Advanced? Yeah, that's pretty much what. No, you could have Coinbase. You could have Coinbase one, and the Advanced is just a button. So it's just the interface. So if you like Advanced, which takes you and it has charts, and you can look at that. You can put limits in there. You can put stop orders and all this kind of stuff. you go to the advanced side. If you want to just be basic where you buy and sell, you go to the non-advanced side. And it's just basically a button. Snake's good, dude. Yeah, Snake is like the #1 thing on Cardano right now. I would recommend whenever you transfer anything to transfer a small portion first. Yeah, definitely, Timmy, 100%. Hello from Detroit. Go Lions, dude. Lions are killing it, bro. XRP fast, cheap, cross-border payment, awesome utility. I agree. Any news from Ripple? They haven't announced anything with the stablecoin yet. Infamous One, yeah, Bonk's good, man. What are your thoughts on the Nasdaq company plans for XRP, dude? Yeah, if the Nasdaq, if Ripple launches on the Nasdaq, dude, that I hope people actually buy that IPO. Will HR bar dip again? You never know, dude. Yeah, I mean, sometimes when it rallies like this, it could have a nice little downturn. But right now, I'm being super. I think that there's just too much bullish news for it to like actually have a downturn. Thoughts on Phantom? I don't own a ton of it, dude. I don't even own any of it. I've never even owned it, to be honest. Thoughts on AMP? AMP's been doing good, dude. There are people saying to keep buying Bitcoin as if there's no bear market around the corner. Bitcoin bottom December 2022. Bull market, all-time high has been happening. Yeah, I think the prediction is roughly August of 2025. It's about probably where people are saying it's going to be, but we'll see, dude. Coinbase One, no trading fees, $9 a month. Fetch, render, near. Can these 5x? It's a good question. I don't know those ones that well. Do you think BTC dropped due to panic sell yesterday or something? Oh, this I just think it got over. I think people just took mass. I mean, this thing was on like a god candle, bro. That's why someone on stream asked me yesterday, like, would you buy Bitcoin right now? And I was like, dude, absolutely not. Now, would I have bought this dip if I wanted to? Yeah, people should have bought this dip. I should have probably bought this dip. I didn't though. What are your thoughts on Coinbase Wallet? It's okay though. The Coinbase Wallet is okay. I'm not the biggest fan of Coinbase Wallet. How do you trade on Coinbase? You can't. There's no. I mean, a lot of people try to avoid taxes by moving over to a non-custodial wallet and making funds there, and then and then not claiming that wallet. That's typically how they get caught. But I mean, yeah. But what happens is as soon as you move that money to Coinbase, they're able to then track your entire system. So it's like, yeah. Do you think it will go down over 2.3 from now? It's tough to see 2.3. I mean, you're talking about I mean, it's been battling this to anywhere from 2.7 to 3.2 this like for the last like 2 days. Thoughts on Turbo? For a meme coin, Turbo is not bad. Confidentiality, no doubt. If Trump gets rid of taxes, also will pump the prices. Oh yeah, people will just move money over into it, dude. It's a good time to buy XRP. I bought it at this price. Ledger Nano, is that good? Yes. Make sure you buy it from Ledger though. Make sure you actually buy it from Ledger. Thoughts on Cardano? I like Cardano. 200 in Doge or XRP. I'm probably sticking with the XRP right now. I saw this guy on YouTube today who said God told him to invest in XRP. He must have had a good dream, dude. Coinbase wallet, a good wallet. It's okay. It's an okay wallet. What do you think about Chainlink? I like Chainlink JGs. Dude, I almost said JZ. JGs. When are you, Aaron? I don't know when that's going to get released. We're hoping tomorrow. That Trump makes crypto in America great again. Cold storage, you take possession of the asset. Yes, that's exactly what you do. Slightest possibility is true, but I doubt it. When it crashes, I'll DCA more. Okay. March 2025, when I'll be only house money ready to sell all. You're going to sell all in 2025? Is LeBron going to retire this year? I don't know. That's a good question. Let's see here. Thoughts on Jasmine? Jasmine, I mean, dude, a lot of people here like Jasmine, dude. It almost makes me like feel like I need to buy some or something. But all right, guys, I'm gonna be hopping off here, dude. 9 o'clock hitting around. Obviously the chart on here on XRP is actually looking pretty decent. I'm gonna be back on tomorrow morning, dude. 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I'll be here 10 a.m. and we'll kick it. We'll talk more about this. Well, hopefully RLUSD will actually drop like we all thought or think so. Like I said, I appreciate everyone coming in here and over here on TikTok. Appreciate you guys following, being on here. We had roughly around like 180 people at one point. Everyone here on YouTube, thank you guys so much for being here. Really appreciate it. Make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe if you like the content. I'll be back here tomorrow at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Click that little notification bell so you get the notification, and we'll talk more about some crypto tomorrow. And with all that, hope you guys have a fantastic night. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and we are out. Peace out, everyone.